adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM. adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM. Oni amachi o. It's exactly 43 minutes into 6 a.m. live on your family favorite radio station. AHENKAN933FM. Martin, yes, in Konya, de Bremo Free Sabre, Copim say, Aropanun do Ebebo. Indeed, you were Jesus, our TMU, Yakume Muton. Beautiful brand new Tuesday morning. The 27th day of September 2022. And I brother send your account bro for muno. Mijiri wo Kristo Yesu Musa hoden wo ho. Send odi enso yen kwa chen no. For God and country back on your radio. And someone on your coach bo bremai. Dear Ahinta odoman komani krotwa mansaba you se bia sinkonyan. Ye de nyina e de brel on the show. Matching any media anything. Felix and Factual. It is your most authoritative social, political, and current affairs talk show. You can tell a friend, also to tell a friend to tune in and listen to what is happening in Ghana. From education to social issues, current affairs, political. Hey, happen our betino. Until baby. On behalf of the team, I don't pay Yama watching. I'm our Kwaba Kayan home. kopim se no ndu bebo no ye be ya famu de ofra me obo wo ba ofori amanfo your commander general, your morning shefa Kotoku Mayor. I don't pay your sinkonya. Otima kumemuda. Otimimo. Niwo Jesus otimimo. Otima kumemuda. Odemi nambesi ye ni adoyenko. Ni atibia medin kunim. What she say, you know? Anye ye. Odemi nambesi ye ni adoyenko. Ni atibia medin kunim. Me ba choma me fa wiembo brand 7 fama na fe kwan mu na ho na yemfa de akanto ato aso sei na enne no ete ye sorry ahomache no na nsuo ne petepete wo kyerese be koso aye saa nsuo no so be koso emu na nti ya no ahye ne so de ama me awia bremu no nsuo no betoto wo me ya hodo bi a said ye enra no ye bo ne tofa ma wo kyerese ne nso saa pepepe ne be ye nsuo no ebe koso a agugu me ayahudu obi de yebeto dendenden ama ayeremo enso ebedwudwa adenti ya na wa hyede nso otima kumemuda enti ye wo big issues mienu I na no pay behani adi mu nkomo me no eka say delegation from the International Monetary Fund IMF Oma be piemu o my Ghana Yankopon Yadoma on the 7th of October and I will be you when you made you no many back to United States of America. Enti omo be wo Ghana ha na omo ne Ghana yen so yen representation. And as a representatives are omo be gina ban no any Ghana name. Mema remfi se Ghana ban akọ so okọ sika sem emwa. Monetary support. Yeah, her ni musenko mudidie and nkita ho ahodo no koso ekwa wie ya. Ghana ensa ebeka 3 billion United States dollars. Yeah, di ejuma. Enti eno so yebedi mu nkomo enkrofo call for a consensus building. Say baby yadru sisi ya no enye NDC enye MPP wo mo abene e wo sika semu no omo nyina they should come together. No be amfa na dwenkyere mfa mra ne hwekon ye befa so a we will redeem our alien economy so that it will bounce back on the track amaye nyina ye ho etimi atoye. And on another breath we will spend some time on a electoral commission. Me no ka say electoral commission almost at the constitutional instrument CI 2021 almost the akoto parliament na senior Ghana mrane kire no. It will be there for 21 working days. Ebe mature after that. It is a parliament. Omo and throw any light on. Omo anye any corrections. And as omo and twimpanimfo adwene nsi certain portions of a year CI no so dia na ebe mature. E mature pe na by extension I was say electoral commission omo de ye adwuma. Na sa eno no omo de akọ parliament no. And na me no ka say NDC, the biggest opposition party in this country. Womo a rezi issue e de afa ho kire se da bi. CI na that parliament is CI no mo bibi kan wo ho anopai ye bebo awuramu na ye dimu enkomo ye ka se CI no kra no a ne kofare bae no any saying. On the show we will delve deeper into it and we will try to unravel certain mysteries surrounding na ye nyina etimi ate ase Alongside, I just say national health insurance. One also den krata about one thing. So into CCR obi enya 70 years or register pay a honwa obi to me at their court hospital. First when I was saying di be bosome ansa na mature CCR no almost say over 70 years o register wo national health insurance na e honwa obi to me at their court ayaresabia akogye ayarehwe. We have this and many more. 50 minutes into 6 a.m. Jesus, Jesus otimimo otimaku memuda. Ain't we are still on our topic, understanding the angels, and of course we are looking at the 9 orders of angels. Ebi mo betumi afre no 9 class. Send your friend bia. Abofo no Nyankopon ahyehyɛ wo mu nidi so endra na ye sha se a na ye di ho nkomo ene ye bebo ewram ye di mu nkomo akwa akiri endra me bisa wo say, how much do you know about the angels of God? Okay, kind Bible na Bible trust here me eti ase say Nyankopon share yembo the Lord made a promise that he will give us his angels to be in charge of our life, protect and guide us. They will be with us. They will be the messengers. Yes, suma wa mo beko. We need a bosha Nyankopon share yen. When you read the book of Psalm 91, the verse 11, Bible kan ho asem wo ho enemo. Endra yedi mu nkomo bebre no a ene yedi bi eto aso. Enti yebeba wura mu na fe enen so ye de aka ho endra se na medical bo amane no ne ye hyase na yesua se we have to know the angels, we have to understand them. E wose etimi etiase ebreben mu ebofo na wose ye frɛ no se wo ohaw mu a ye wo bofo bi e wose wo frɛ no se wo anigye mu nso a ye wo bofo bi wo ha e wose wo frɛ no na eno ena ye put into 3 categories. Say makmako 9 abofo no aye beka mo ho asem ne ahyehye wo mo enipeku na say ekueku no enkono, but ekueku nkron no ye put wo mo into 3 hierarchies. Na sa 3 hierarchies na medical catch so betumi nso afre wo mo say the 9 class say ne obefre ni bia no eye abofo kro no an ye ka ho asem. So we will look at the 3 hierarchies here containing sa 3 class, and I said the angels, and only you go into the first hierarchy, you were the seraphim, you were the cherubim, you were the thrones. Maybe Bob so ama. We will pick them one after the other. Not yakwing. And into the first hierarchy, ekuekuo. Into sanya beya obetiasi no. Mami fa wo community numu. Any example. Unse se obo ra community numu sisi ya me no kase ya. Yewo nananom atena nkonwa yewo hemfo ho yewo yebane political administration so a yewo assembly member wo ho and assembly member no achi no ye sign ewo unit committee ewo ho eni nti sa akuakuo no eno na mepese me no mienu ye hwe na ye ka ho asem nti ye put you into 3 categories and as a hierarchies here. The first one no containing the seraphim, the cherubim and the thrones. And not any the first group of the people, and I say the first group of angels. The second hierarchy, so you were the dominions, you were the virtues and the powers, and only the second group. And at the third group, which is the final hierarchy, and also your principalities. Listen, you can say principalities here. Principalities, it is not an evil word, but the moment I say principalities of darkness, not to say you qualify, then it becomes the opposite of Nyankopon abo. Into your principalities, your the archangels, and your the angels. No ankasa. Into you're putting into 3 hierarchies. I don't know medical catch on. The first one, you the seraphim, the cherubim, and the thrones. And at the second one, also, you the dominions. They have the power. We have the virtues and powers. And then you the third one, which is the final hierarchy. And also you the principalities, the angels, and the archangels. Into tiasias af mami. Oh yeah, you're confused. Oh, men confuse you, huh? You be picking one after the other. Inti abofo a edi kan a yebetimi aka say omo ben awurade pa wo mo de enya de a onipa obetumi ne omo afa yonko the seraphim. The seraphim angels na ye come ho asem no. When you read the book of Isaiah 6:1-7, Isaiah chapter 6:1-7, a Bible eka the seraphim ya ye come ho asem oka wo mo ho asem na sa seraphim no abofo a wa abofo nhihye yemu no wo mo de omo abene papa ma bini seja omo ben Nyankopon Bible saying nhihye ni mu no omo ne the highest order and I say the highest choir of angels omo eben awurade na omo adwuma poten omo ye no say wo mo esom otwiredi ampon Nyankopon ewo na henie no emu. And inti send your medical catcher in the book of Isaiah chapter 6, the verse 1-7. Eka omo ho asem no. Dwumadie poten omo die ebi ne say, what to dwom tontrom asafo awurade. They praise God, they call on his name. Kron ye awurade. Awurade a wono ena osoro ne asase ne dia. Inti the seraphim, as I have already made mention, no womo ene abofo edi kan omo ben Nyankopon pa. Na Bible describe what say omo ye too powerful to the extent say enam so omo ben awurade na Nyankopon so ti se oja, Nyankopon ti se wia, eno nti onipa de sani mfa na ni hunu na abofo ni mpa omo ben awurade ye ka so omo ben awurade no womo so enam se Nyankopon hyen enti won hunu no nti Bible say womo atabu broni a friend wings eye makomako ensia nti wahyehyɛ ebi wo soro ebi wo fam eye ni disuo saa womo ataban ne makomako ensia djuma omo didi ni sɛ omo de kata on anim sɛ ne be ya womo enhye sanse Nyankopon no aye som no oyo nyame a ɔhyerɛn anopai sɛ wobɛte ase sɛ Nyankopon no eye nyame a ɔhyerɛn na saa ne han no ɛtɔ sum so a ayaresa bɛba ayaresa bɛyɛ adwuma sɛ wobɛte ase anyagidie sɛ ɔyɛ nyame a wɔhyerɛn nti sɛ yadeɛ mpo ɛna saa ɛhan bɛtɔ so a ayaresa bɛba ɛyade a ɛbɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ wabrabɔ mu. So we have the first highest order and also the first highest choir of angels I from said the seraphim ɔmo bɛn awurade paa wɔn atabu yɛ nsia na saa atabu nsia no ɔmo di mmienu ɛde akata wɔn anim ɛna ɔmo di mmienu akata wɔn nan ase ɛna ɔmo di mmienu ɛde etu. This is the powerful angel. 2 wings ɛkata wɔn anim maka kyerɛw sɛ Nyankopɔn hyerɛn nti sɛ wo bɛn no a untumi ɛnhwɛ no nti ɔmo de ɔmo atabu ne mmienu akata wɔn anim ɛna ɔmo de mmienu akata wɔn nan ase ɛna ɔmo de mmienu etu wabra Nyankopɔn bɛsoma wɔn sɛ wɔn nkodi dwuma bi ɛmfa ɛma no wɔn dwumadie poten wɔn die ɛno ɛne sɛ wɔn ɛto dwom ɛkamfo asafo awurade ɛbɔ ne din sɛ kronkron ɛne wo asafo awurade a ɔsoro ɛyɛ wo nase entiasoɔ na asase ɛnso so ɛyɛ wo tenabrɛ dwuma wɔn die ne sɛ wɔkamfo no ɛna mede baako bɛka ho ama wɔn afei akɔ anim ɛno no ɛyɛ the second one a wɔn wɔ hɔ no yɛfrɛ wɔn the cherubim no na edi seraphim no akyi a oba no angelic hierarchical form no a wɔn na ɛtɔ so emienu nti wɔn so yɛbɛtumi aka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn ɛyɛ the second choir of angels as a seraphim ni firi hɔ a wɔn ɛna wɔn edi hɔ a ɔbɛn asafo awurade na Bible say saa abɔfoɔ yi wɔn nso so abene Womu esu ene won ban ete se onipa su. Omo appear te se enipa. Womu su no omo ban nyina te se enipa su. Na omo nso ataban no edoso saa. But omo de ne de seraphim ne de no ewa animu echen won. Omo ye abofo a womo eto dwom etontrom awurade a okenkan the book of Revelation chapter 4 the verse 6 Bible kan ho asem or describe eye cherubim no se womo so eye abofo a won ho efeyie omo ben awurade na omo so eto dwom ekamfo hye ne din animonyam a ema na henie no edimu maka kira wo se so opese osum nyankopon a e wo se wotia se it is not about ekuo NPPNDC a wo join it nyankopon som no eye ahenie som eye kingdom nso so ye won nhyehyeye sane wokọ ohini bi a odi mu na himfi a onfiti prekupe nkuhunu nana ne ye won hyehyeye ahodo no saa pepe nyankopon ahini ne tie ne nyankopon ahini ne de eso baitra wo wa abofo a wone won na eye adwuma nti abofo a eben awurade paa no eye the seraphim won a omo edi ho eye the cherubim ena no payi ye de besi ha na nyankopon ya adoma wo kyena ya toa so omo ye makomako enkron nanso makomako nkron no na ya puti wo into three groups ya kan ho asema kyerɛ wo omo ye makomako nkron abofo no aye kan ho asem ne ye nkron nanso ya puti wo into three groups ena maka ho asema kyerɛ wo no na ye befa no one after the other ene ya hwe the seraphim ya hwe the cherubim the seraphim no womo eya abofo a womo ben awurade pa na eram se nyankopon hyren enti womo ntumi mfa omo ani enhwe no womo wa ataban makomako ensia mienu wode kata womo anim mienu no nso omo de kata omo nan ase ena mienu no a aka no wode etu dwuma odi ni poten ne se otodwom kamfo awurade boni din se kronkron ene wo awurade nia etoso mienu no so eye the cherubim no nso so omo double wings saa na omo dwumadi omo die no ede animonyam ebre awurade omo de omo nte se the seraphim no womo esu no omo ban they appear to be mankind and I say man like womo abra bono omo su se ne omo ye omo niam ni nyina no ete se enipa de eno ene abofo kuo a etoso mienu a ene yaka won ho asem okenkan the book of Revelation chapter 4 the verse 6 nso a ebeboa wa mo ate ase yie ene mienu ene yesu ya o kyena nyankopon ya adom a ye besana toa so kopim fiada no ye bewie na fe ye hunu abofo no wo mo hyehyeye ebre kra uwom ene obofo a wo se wo frɛ no no wa hunu kwan abefa so a odi bedi dwuma me pa cho frɛ me obo oba ofori amanfo ye koba a ye ba beto adwumadie ne so dia ma maakye ene dwumadie no te ase se ne ye kan nyina no oyegya oba ene onkronkron nyankopɔn a oya adumura ne ohunu nipa mobo nti obekoso atena ne nyino ase na waye nia na sem ehye wo no a ebeyire so akyere so se den awurade no ogu animu ase sports ye de to aso
Abozeke Sports Jagum.
This is the moment we waited for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time!
Everybody for Mumbu Mokodi.
Bobby, come on. Now, so
Yamiadum, Bibia.
I'm pressing me sorry. One city no more Jana. I need 2 cities. I say, one city no criminal dada.
I'm some person jai paper no. Na ye di coin no.
Inti omu jai paper.
Inti omu yi paper na free system nim.
Na 2 cities so who be a papa.
2 city no, 2 city there. Eno de minim ho asem ba de minim ne se omo so mu yi 1 city paper no. A free system nim na ye di coin.
Okay.
Inti na ama sisi omu ntumi entwa foforo.
Because na e ma dwen se mpese me bisa actually ma dwen pa. Because na say 1 city bia mehu bia agogo. 1 city bia mehu bia.
Say economy na agogo. Ti ba bia imle. Na coin na ba bere.
Economy genu anankasa de agogo on.
Ai na
say coin no mo kire se sika e ka ye body twa paper no ya na e wo soro e na e ban so ankrofo misuse nti sisi ya wasi yi free system ni esan ko twa foforo e wasi yi e ba sa na ye bo ka bi
2 million no munya no coin van na India send
dabi
some say about card ya
dabi 11 cd no almost say yen hweso yi enti omu yi enu afiri ho na omu de coin ne dia be replace no enti en kakra sa e be free system na say 2 cd no kra so ne coin wo ho na me wa
the coin bi na bubu cough ba no en tadam do so omu try me ho be fa
omu guso omu twagum
and it's a 5 cd bi na do de no omu try
na nado
nado bounce be try 5 cd
yeah enya na nado ne twa yo
nado ne try
dabi na Bank of Ghana enya na nado ne twa ye
na say na peso ya no mde buy
dabi me say na Bank of Ghana omo enya 60 years enti 60 years na person omo celebrate
na dem enya 60 years am tweska
oh na say 60 years a milestone
and e ko yin mom ko twa bi megum ne ndia dem tumi tan 60 years ko tweska na ye bre na mo ko twa bi ma
dabi o say omo enya 60 years and na 60 years na omo celebrate no omo twa say sika ne be gu mu ne yedi ye
and esi azom ye bre ntum san ko twa bi megum ne ndia
anya so omo twa be gu mu no omo twa be gu mu say ye ho beto yen yo
na omo twa ba no ndu do no buy
o say
omo twa box mienu a o ye tie be de ho say box no omo da hen de fear
say e the same sika no a
ana am sit you say the same sika na but say omo ko twa fear broche na omo de buy omo twa wa
dabi
ite bi omo twa no box the same sika na be miensa and omo so omo de ba tie be de ho say ni na be du
and am baby aton ko bana fa
obo be de ho say ni na ba
dia na me pesa what ya say ne say e sa 55 cedis na yenim dada no
by way different one
me ba o sa 55 cedis na yenim dada no eno a bi no mu twa e but we no omu chenyi kala na keke
ba Ghana pen me mo
say
this the same 5 cedi edinim ahimienu
eni sa na ma kire mu die nti omu twa ne mienu
no ena mu twa ba kum ne ndi ba ko na
ena ya ba ko na free system ni
se se anu kwa na ereni tie mu ni mo dia mo ba na nsen eno asa
ena me kan
enu hu wai
ena me ka say no na ba system ni mu for 60 years celebration
obo da yakubo baba bugro
wan ka say na waso
aba bugro
za
nipa ma nipa bre
baby a o baby a
obo
baby a
nipa ma nipa bre o
baby a
wo dis ka ko so ko to ade dan pa ko gina store na wa kamisu
store be ya ni e wa kire ha o ko to ade o
obo
and is kana de coin na anko baby a
100 cedis
anko baby a
se me pe emo ne ade ba ko mienu me se me to emo no bi gra naska
o we want me to your crank ho
ha
they say oyo no so na me say 30 cedis so there
obo bi gina sa na me hu de me nya bi
ebefa kakra
oh
kakra bibia
first to me the 100 cedis come market to niam bia but you see me nim say mo je akwa adwuma yo Ghana or something I don't know
omo ye
akwa fo so ye adwuma some just say na do say omo duadu efu bi na say the friends
you planting for food and jobs
it is an ya na ya kwan and omo nya mu nka ho
I think say mo beka ho ana but ni minimum pa brode ne sa mankani ne sa ne ma no
amboa
eni ho
abo amu nu ya hwe
ana sa wo kra nka wo firi mu kurom yi hai odan kwantai na wo sin sum mo ho
emo no omo no so omo ye wi a wo ko ton dan bi ko to bi wo afidie ni so
ne boarding
anya ne bo kra din pese ebo ankasa wo bebiri
o da bi o se si a omo ye bi mu ye omo de ye pa
ba dem ko to ne manya ni ye ntino ma ma dwen sesan
enti omo ye ni ye
enti wa ko to abodin za bend send ebo nim tire omo nya omo na omo na timun what I say
omo de omo na
omo timu na omo de ayi asefo
asa o sempanimfo nso
nom de agusu nom de omo na na musa
o sempanimfo ma wo omo
odo na timun na ebo okum
empanimfo ma omo factory
ebo hihye omo na
da bi o se ayi ni sefom sa bottle nom de ayi ntuma bi esefom nom de mo na seso emu na guso nti okoba no yi oyi ni nef mpabo ni so wo ze mo ni ndi de ehye ho ni yakosi nti de opa bi obetumi mpabo no na dina ntima na akoko oba na motobo hwe broni a onye sa de no onfa mesefom
se eno na ewo se mpanimfo no nso bem na omo beboa wo omo sikafo no omo nso mrem na machine a omo twa mo na omo fa nkogu fom so that's
Yeah.
no come be gum
ka ye twa na na ye yamba ye abroche de no mu twa na na pre enya ye ntwa mfa gugu fie enko hye pata so afa ko yi anse yakobre ansa ya be brade problem
ne yom no say ye na koko na ye din kan but obi aba farmer o kon fa so de bo koko on fa sekan bo pe
to chance asa
ye bi mo fa adwuma no o ma ye no modern ma mo ko nti sa na tie
me question is say
ni aka de na de be ye
me question is say nti de ye kan ya o mo nti
omunim
nti adi nti no mo yi o mo ma yi o mani
omo babro
omo so mo kan say ya abra no mo ti say ye
nti omo kwabro chire ba aya omo mfa hwema omo ngo ho hwe wa na asa de
nti e be ko so abo omo pa away sa
sa no mpese ye o
ye be bo but it will get to a time I was say mo ti say Ghana for gusu omo complain sa no it will get to a time where they will not complain. It is not good to say we will sit on radio say you better wabo ma but they are ekosue wa hu
you mean better be so
me say a time will come politicians na so be ye wo Ghana
ebo baba
serious because
ebi mutimu eden no do
eboro so sa no a afa ye ni other option because akwesa kola wo ne tia jai na oye one day one way ya wo mad there so the be born pai won say hodin
na fe de be sie
so that say
e kirajo
enti empany for omo nwine ho mienu na ba bia Ghana de ne a kire a whole president
edan so
akọ baabi ne de ne pa away
ne person na say ade no sometimes nyini pa no photo ade no mo ade na oni ni obaye nti ne so
onye
anya ni pa ye ni ya tutu abaye
ni so say president ni hu de obaye na ohun de obaye akwoto ye ohun de obaye on si for me
se si abia ya duru no
so o we na hu tibi nya o say o mi tibi nya biem ti no mo beto aso
on some video bi so
what bi da awo ye bibre mu ha
so shara gade na adwuma no si a o say o mi tibi nya biem ti no wa betu ni beto aso na nka ye so ye kofa na ye se de ho nti omo ye mu tibi nya na ye so ye ko ye bi ahwe
ye bibre mu ha de sa de ni tan si ha o
because maybe kwatena ho no go ye president Ghana for Brazil David ye be fuo kroma maybe me na nanom no mo ye se ade bi me ni ba din ni ye de but omo fa cham se brigade so no mu dua mbe and then
ba obi anso ni ho no mo a eye e hye ni tirim se me kwatena so Ghana for mre o
so I am kwa no me nim dia ho
obi anhwe no ye na obi anso anhwe ne kasa ye ntimi kan say oba no dokono kinki entimi
ena me ka say
na kinki Christ ya wan si
say ena me ka say dia omo keka no eduru ba bia ye be proud mo say ni atamo say ayi
omo kasa
jeje ya atamo say no
omo kasa ye ene asofo kran bo omo kasa ye ene me
ya za me na organize no asofo omo kasa ye dada
da bi no sofo bi
piti nkom jere mo te so
da no sofo bi piti o one of
ba won akasem o
oh yeah
won say ma hu we be wu no
amoja ye o de ko kana
no sofo bi piti o one radio station na me sorry ye no me da na ma dwindi na chi ni awoka no ni awoka na awoka se mi say Ghana oba e Christopher ni edoso pa yen asum nyama ni edoso pa na oduru mozemifo no o si yenuanu mozemifo no so no yedoso sin won na oduru abosomsomfo za abosomsomfo no anka yenuanu ba mi so won ka hodia
oh say ye ta kan sa na ye kan
iti na yenuanu abosomsomfo no
yenuanu abosomsomfo
mozemfo si yenuanu ma fense mozemifo
dabi na za abosomsomfo no yenuanu obi o kwaso
oba abosomsomfo na ye bone
bone
sa
Bible so abi de ba bo aka de ebone
ene mo pese
de nya me foforo nka me movement wanya ka no na ebone
sofo ni hwe yie ni oka ye no won say ti say bia minimi nua kofi e bia minua oboba but me kokko obi dia dia but na so mo so ye nipa
o ye nipa ba onye ni nia
class da bi o classify nipa
me ba
o ye nipa
ba ya hwe yie
mate de papa yi kan
o ni ni
mate de papa yi kan say oni Muslim for ne nya adwen and nti na wo sum Kristo to you
oh ene de ye
to you that is here but ono no say o believe in Muhammad.
Ena bosom so no nya adwinto no so ne bosom.
Good. Enti die be enti na wutumi kan say wunua.
Minua no
Muslimi.
No one come okay.
Na wan ka say minua minua no mo susum ayi. So ati de o kana say. Aha. Enti me ne ya adwen. Ba bosom nye adebone. Why?
Oh bosom de bone.
Dabi bosom nye adebone.
Bosom.
Ai.
Oh bo bone.
Eyedin.
Kwame Santina esi ya de na ya ku we fufura na.
Eyedin.
3 against 1.
Sa abosomsom no edin but asechire wo ho. But ne say mo mpesa be sports no dey be kira se.
Bosom de. To me de me hu Bible mu je say enya say obi akwaje bosom e kekere mi na me kan. Bosom.
Sa ya wona wasu hu Bible.
Aha, de me hu Bible. Ene kirem say bone.
Obi so Bible no kro no nji ndi.
Enti ono so de de ye ma no, ona me kan.
Why na otu din bosom?
Bosom. Bible no say me hu.
Bible ntu din bosom o.
Bosom.
Eya morofu yi no mo be keka say ya dwene
me say about it is an man dia already and dia on me am go say all na.
It's very true.
Me me hu na magia tu.
Tie.
Me obi ani achi.
Me say. Ye na nanu ma no mo te Ghana ha no. Enye obi le be ka kire mo say omo ma mani so hwe soro ni Yankopon wo ho.
Nti omo
nimu ne dada.
Oh yeah. Say
na. Ghana anye ye nyina eye ayi emrofo ne Bible no mo de bre ye no.
Ghana anye nyina.
Oh yes. Ghana anye ye nyina e Bible na ekura ye no.
Oh yeah.
So that's it.
Eno so kan.
Because say na nanu mo te Ghana ha dada no.
Anu we obekum ti no.
Ogunsa onimusa Yankopon bi wo soro nti o mansa no so no de a kire no.
Eno omo de no. Ne ya wo ye mistake a.
Pa.
Enye bi ni de omo ti so omo kwata Bible ano.
So that's it.
Why. Obetra obvious can say.
Once first no class na Yankopon mra ni yapu.
Ana me ka say.
Yankopon ka say ogugu ni mam.
First no Jesus Christ man be wu ye no say wo ye bone apa na oda so.
Me say. Hwade. Enkrofo Bible no mo de bre ye no. Said any ye boy bra wa ha no. It's just a replica of it. And on my church gu Bible no mo de abre ye. So that's it. Ye ti ada na ye na mo omo fa Bible bia ma ye no. Onimu say obema ne be ma nye den.
Yes.
Enware.
Eno so ya obewu ho na ene de onko ye.
Tio eyemusuo.
Yeah.
Ye na no mu nim. Na Bible ne we he. Ye na mu nim say ade anya wo de a na se ye mfa ma wa mfa.
Yeah.
Untumi nya ade ye me hye ho nkwase yabose. O kan Bible sezan. O si Nyankopon ani nye nkwase yabose ho. Ye na me di kan ye. No on kin kan Bible bia o.
Yeah.
So what I say. Enti se ye enya bosomsom o. Eye nyame sombata bi e kwan na omonam so som no na one ne nya adwen
obi akofa krama atwa no moje de go da ebo so no so
na se na wo Bible mu
mas o de ma
ana wo ni se na wo Bible mu
enu atwom de bra o ba nya
ese yemra fen
obi gira o twa no tu pada guru so one ho gigiri so so nyame
dabi enti ase no mo abiri mu ani so
clear example na me ye India ni bi adwuma wo Kaneshi and me omo papa bi on fe no sai baba ono na odu omo nima so omo prophet oni omo ti say omo fanat Jesus Christ but omo ti say elephant nya dade wo omo ho no ma omo anopa bia so musane fi omo ho no ba omo ba shi sense eyewi na me just say na we nso e ozo omo gidi se Yankopon ho no but senia Muslim fo gidi se Muhammad e prophet Christopher so gidi se if any say Jesus Christ prophet no omo so mo gidi no but omo so Nyankopon nya ye bia no say ye yin so okofo bia de eboni a omo mra no so sa na ewo mu
that is it
agala nya so yo
e bia ye hu say o sense o ye say but ono so ni okran onam so no ofini say man kofa oni ade eboni nti emra ni na e ba ko but bia no so mafa no so no
sa so enti ye ni bosomsom wo ba bia e ye mrofo na be daada yen say de ye ne nye nti ye nyi wo mu de
no message
ba ye den so de na nye
message de the call
ye de na ka say nye
ye se aduane a wa meto o ma me mu ka ase no na ye machi wade dabi ene ye ne o
nye
ba ye de no ye som na ne ye som na o mo betam ye a o mo de o mo de bre ye no eno ne ye te ase ye frɛ bibi sɛ modernization enti oba so obe ware ne yonko oba be ma so be ware ne yonko ye wo ye Ghana ha dadada na
nyame na agent duru a nature ntumi nchange no
be say dan na covid so nya kunya ko England and I say be ko UK
Europe I mean
sorry I walk from
Onim die ntia obroni no abewia enema a wosenka ye nananom de ye adwuma no ene ya besesa o madwen se da bi momo ne de wo se mo bre na ye nti o mo besesa de akono makosiesie mu kurom ene ono no ase wu kuro no e se watia siwa asase ne so ena o tugalam say nti wo se no goso owia no aka kire wo se ono no ho ne te se heaven Intibra.
So what they come on.
Oh, Cornsoa. What Jim Sikakes here?
I want me to come on. Inaki Williams, a woman could be a news and fire come to go. Come go to Kunia. I what about step so called. I got Gomgo to Kunum. I want my book to 50 years.
Kutuku Cranka will be any more.
Obiabo to go up with the Gola Brim. Bicycle grounding. How Cabrocha, they are trying to have
minimum dying and through. What am
Uncle, I good year with some young vantage Madino so and Farmer Media Joshua Cabana Egenim. Yosef Fragili, what the canteen in Canada, Pompo Quarry Ebwa, sounds now Raymond Ashete Rats and so Ebwa, yet in some Ebba Nidikan, young faster down, Emma Jubilee Hospital, me patrol, say Ohundo do, open Biaja Yarisa ye, Ma Wangasawati say yes, and name me Yadi, a 2 year dia, and one Jubilee Hospital, Ebi Neno, Wakuma, and our issues be our one, Oba Dr. Bejina. So 24/7 asho ama sayar wano so no so etimi etuaira ebia opese oba na obeda ho na ogi ayarehwe op private room na se no pese oda hospital wono ma ni nyina oba ebu ho no betimi edi ama na bibia nso akofan edi ama ebia on lab na pese oye o pese o check eni no na se o blood type na se no blood group a o ba laboratory kese on ma na se betimi aboa na bibia nso akofan edi ama antenatal care na fe postnatal care nso ho eni ma embo ma fa fro na fe ma o ma wo pese na kora no o mo ahwe ne no nurse na pomuden na didie mo ene se na esi ekono so o ba betimi aboa theater ho no me de ma mo pese ye surgery na fe operation nso no ba bibia betimi akofan edi ama mo afi maternity one man near no your midwife obetimi akrakra ye emma na mafo afuro no na abosom ne so a onso wetimi awo afa ho afa oba na bibia nso akofan enso edi amayen afo pese utwa scan prostate na pese uye opese utwa scan dia ye ultrasound na fe ECG scan one ma oba ibetimi atwa kama na bibia nso akofan edi amam doctor chro endrama se kona koto na fe fasa ho yare a pharmacy kese one ma edro bia opa to bia no oba akacha ebi one ma bonya bi no ato na bibia so akoye the amount ene no doctor Tro Droma and as no yare na so hospital bi say what did oba akacha canteen kese on ma aduane a opa to bia no obonya ne no wato edi na fi bia so akoye the amount diabetes na hypertension for no so no Friday anopa bia no yade a nchekere ekoso edemam induane amundi na fi indura monfa betimi aboa na fi hypertension na fi diabetes no so enso etimi ate woni na eta hawadwen woni na etetewa me ba cho ba your specialist woni betimi ahwe sefata so ma anhweniwa and as grasses na osha odbema sefata so ma odro na fe no so etimi etuida odbema na bibia so akoye de ma woni insurance na ba betimi age na fe ahwe oye o hwe chi akwanya odan aboabo road no so amantra bridge no so honom na obehuye fe number na fe nkoma ka we chi nyina no woni mpanifo endi number no 0244 575799 0244 575799 and 0241 784645 0241 784645
Anna Chamina wata seminka enfenche ne anopese ko bibito na fefedu djuma aka cheni na bibia enso enkofan emfa ema bia na oye adore anase woye engagement eye na woye party bia woye bia no eye Anna Chamina wata na mekamfo edema ene anopay kana selen so se eye bottle water enti bia do be ko bia ubetimi akuta na kama na bia ko yie enso ede ama ese ne bottle no so efe yie pe akuta na wodoma ese mo ahondinduru ahodo a bibia be ko yie ede ama wo potassium calcium magnesium ene de aka chenyina ubenya bi ewo nsuo mu na fe abona bia ko yie enso ede ama na kana selen so se eyade FDA enso agia tumti ubo bia ebeboa na bia akofan ede ama dan fo ni chemu ewo achimodan ye ben Ghana Commercial Bank no ye ne omoka park no ene se edi nhwani mu oduru achimodan ye se unwoma ode from na oni penipa no endi nkumo ewo sa ahomatufo iso 0249 680 213 0249 680 213 0500 231 091 offer and natural mineral water for one bejo so no wadi nkomo na bia koyi e de amount
Yanshan sem na se MFF the UEFA Nations League na enra games no ebi eboss na se na results no ekoye San Marino etasma Estonia ebonekanim enan San Marino omantimi anti Romania enso echi Bosnia Herzegovina ebonekanim enan a Bosnia fo no omutimi eti kanu ba ko Montenegro enso etasma Finland etwanekanim mienu Montenegro enso entimi anti North Macedonia etasma Bulgaria enso Bulgaria eselekanim ba ko a omonso omantimi anti Hungary enso etasma Italy abonekanim mienu Hungary fo ekom na edu omntino omantimi anti Grobeta enso etasma Georgia etianekanim mienu a nese Grobeta fo no omonso omutimi eti kan ba ko England ni Germany sa game ko pa ye ko ya 3-3 ya ede mu nsem no ye di ejao
and then so so say na say esi etia Ukraine etra fini eya Scotland ede eboni yakopon ayaduma nimre ede Switzerland etra fi one Czech Republic ede eboni Sweden etra fi one Slovenia ede eboni Ireland etra fi one Armenia ede eboni Norway etra fi one Serbia ede eboni Kosovo etra fi one Cyprus ede eboni Greece etra fi one Northern Ireland ede eboni Albania etra fi and Iceland and the aboni and Portugal etra fi in Spain and so ede aboni
yanko pmo international friends bia ene baso ene na okopmo na se South Korea and Cameroon ebona no 11 o'clock and sa game no baso Ecuador and so ne Japan de rentam so 11:55 sa game no and so baso afei about 2:30 Iran and Senegal be 4 o'clock no Canada and Uruguay and so at the rentam so afei ebo no numa Qatar and so ne Chile at the eboni honma enya gudie afei no so ba Algeria and Nigeria and ebo Paraguay and Morocco and ebo 7 o'clock sanso na Brazil and so Tunisia ebo sa game 6:30 na fe Nicaragua and so atans in Ghana and so at the abone sa game no and so 6 o'clock
and nyakopa no ma de chena eto so sei and say Asia ko Argentina betena fi on Jamaica ed ebeboni El Salvador etena fi on Peru ed ebeboni Honduras etena fi on Guatemala ed eboni Mexico etena fi and Colombia and so ed eboni we matches nyakopa no ma de chena eto for madimu sem no ed ajao
afa yempiem boxing mu abranti and the taxing ferry papa Ines or heavyweight boxer na obakaya or the contract ekoma AJ Anthony Joshua sa abranti and sign naka December omonfa bot kese ba kopa and so emboss na deadline on na 5th and also the chema 5 o'clock Monday ye twem ya no na abranti na yade contract no de koma Anthony Joshua no Joshua unsigned abranti and taxing ferry se ne no one sign dia na se December bot no enya dia ebaso na video and abranti and taxing ferry e posti ye na say na okano.
Well guys, it's official. D-Day has come and gone. It's gone past 5 o'clock Monday. No contract has been signed. It's officially over for Joshua. He's now out in the cold with the wolf pack. Forget about it. Idiot. Coward. Bodybuilder. Always knew it. Always knew he didn't have the minerals to fight the Gypsy King. Regardless of, good luck with your career and your life. End of. Peace out.
We I am some of the Gypsy King, Tyson Ferry, and so Edituda.
Yendeni enfeni enchemu benmo bobo kunuma kupima esensibe formo ebande ano pese encheye enese coach efan Scott Parker no omo nasitu edinfri bobo kunumo na amawremu medes bra bobo kunuma se papa yefan eyakes weather omo no edin komo yesi akakuma binese papa no waje tumu akofa adwuma no enso abo ede amoma enano pe edimu nsem kakra no enso ede ejao
Yanko piemu Madrid bobo kunum na reporter Urban say Madrid for almost no Mumford no unim say Luka Modric and Toni Kroos ade amrante no enyi achiwomo nti omo eko omo so mpe young players omo babginemu abogene da Madrid ntene no omo so nya touchmani afa Branton Edward Camavinga enso eho no mu wuruemu aboboku an Dortmund mu na ado nchema Liverpool na afa Man City omo target and dim e Jude Bellingham no omo so kofa na be PM Madrid na afa do nchema abobo game enso na Madrid boboku no we ensema eno efi Madrid eba iri mu nsem no ye de agya
Uremu ewo England na nkomo formo ade eba no ya Rosem ese enra amni Germany ade ekobani na no na Sabrantio sina kan na Manchester City bobo ko na Brantio fan John Stones eko player Freddy kan mu a na Sabranti eko player MS Kawoka enso ebese na nan a akoye around some hwe ni mu se nkudimdi anase Abrante no ye de ebetumi ahwe na fe doctors no abo no ban se de be ya ahwonden ebesa abana fe John Stones etumi eje na so se kan de mu nsem no ede eja
afe Manuel Pellegrini enso former coach at Man City was also coach West Ham da na papa yi yes wabra obo adwuma no nyina no na se 2014 to 2017 na se tax se otua no o sheda wantua intine no na se mpanifo enso etimi afina do no chima be se 343 million pounds eni sika na se mpanifo da to Manuel Pellegrini so a omuso mbambe tua na bibia nso enko enfama na wo do no chima na se sa fine na se sa punishment one of the biggest punishment APM of football.
Pacific Miles Enterprise can venture there and pay said Dewani na phone chemo or wana kache ope kunyato ope tebu nato musical instrument ope biato ope pumping machine and I say eye mfidie juma enema bibira aka chebi and ope biato phone chemo or wana kache na fe kope bitu anebo no enso ada fom say boko bia na nyaruwanti no ama ona na bi opapa bi umame bi abubu agu fom akope wheelchair na to na fakoma no ewo omaso ye na fe bia enko ye enso emfama enyewe nko a urema se microwave ya tuntumbi electric eye obenya bi ato electric toaster machine obenya bi ato washing machine ope bi ato a dawani echemo Pacific aso ye na fe kope bi to na bia enso nko ye emfa ema woolen carpet na fe niema ka cheni na odawani echemo a obenya bi ato na say na se esitie achim shodo kwan so na se obenwe ye coupon checkpoint achim shodo kwan so a woni mpenimfo ndi nkomo na fe nchemo akamini na onomo enche say NCT 0547 716580 0547716580 Uroma obetumi afrena febia koye enso ediama Samsung 0542 308730 ofre Pacifica omejo so no de onkomo na bia koye edi ama
afefisam no yen hyase mfemfi the senior most national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana ene na se ebononsia Ghana esan ejina kono the Black Stars of Ghana and Nicaragua national team no na di aboni sabi game ebaso stadio Ates Carrasco eno Spain ona sa game no ebaso na we na head coach Adama Black Stars papa ndin adi Oto Ado Ochirema na sa Ghana against Nicaragua no na sa adi sa game no ebe good test Adama Ghana na ewemi se mabo Brazil game no na edin Nicaragua game no na sa entise Brazil game no na so Nicaragua uhwe omanya omnyom ahia omahame other countries and no sa game na ebaso no ebe interest nyentie sema Oto Ado edu tuja
another good test match for us. Just to find each other, find patterns, find connections, and yeah, we're happy to be here and have an opponent like Nicaragua, where we hopefully can try a lot of things. I don't think it will be that as tough as the match against Brazil, but it's a different toughness because they proved also in previous games that they can harm other teams, so it's going to be interesting.
Enti we sema Oto Ado edu tudwa na owie ni ebisan se Abrante ni Thomas Tel Party na se Brazil game na okalana pon na se start game no na onim o se Abrante April ni injury there na se da anya serious bia sananso no mpeso mba risk no na wabo Brazil game no na tactically enya dia ebetimi affect Ghana national team no.
With the tactics it doesn't affect at all because tactics are the players doesn't surely the players also are important for tactics because you need sometimes in a certain style of play you need certain players who have certain abilities, but for tomorrow's game I think it will be okay. Hopefully Thomas will be healthy very very soon. We didn't want to take that risk in a friendly game to play him against Brazil, and but surely a player like him especially against a squad like Brazil is always helpful.
We and some coach Oto Ado edituja
na osan so etwa so e kan se bi edikan na no ene se etwe be ne busa ne se eye place awodo a we bebo bi na kwadwa kobo na ya kobo osi ogusu try place no se de be ya obenya core team no se de be wura mu World Cup na bibia enso atoye no se nye place nko a ene se all time no coach den kasa enso try ne tactics a yenkoti ensama otu ado esan edika de source.
We are using these benches to try a lot of things, not only on the players, but also from my side on systems. So we have to find together. This is very important for us as a team. We have new players to integrate, so a whole lot of things. And also, surely, I want to use these games for a player to show it themselves at the training, but also in the games. And I'm not worried. We have to take the right conclusions out of every match, and like I said, prepare ourselves for the World Cup. This is the most important thing.
Yes, we sama as head coach to ado editu enim no sanso ekasa o se enche na sabrante fani Naki Williams do de mo so be si akan Enema Blasters nunu aketua ye fa Nico Williams no anano ade hunu se wo hye Spain for Jesse kama as ojina ma wo bo na no ene kubisa coach wo de nsam kaka eda tudwa o se ono kra hunu Germany enti no eba ne sanes wakoma no emu achemienu asa koboma Ghana koboma Germany en sabrante fani Nico Williams no wa boma Spain na one de ensada enya no wawa
in Ghana. That would have been great, but his brother decided to play for Spain, which is fair, which is well as well. We would have loved to see him in Ghana, surely. But I can understand this. Me, myself, I'm also born in Germany, growing up in Germany, so you always have two hearts or two homes in your heart. And for this is always a difficult decision. So we respect that. And hopefully it would be great if we could play against Spain.
Yes, na oba wie kura na ebusan sesia inji situations no say enetie ewo omo camp na atese place awodo bi na jikunumu ene to lamtim no prepare na wonsem no esi etisen say na coach efe no to ado editu yenim.
The Chico has a little pain, so he went with the doctor for a checkup. We have to wait for the results. And Tariq, the warm-up, he felt a little something, so we just said, okay, we have to watch out and make load management, and he will be assessed later after the training. Hope that it's nothing serious, and I hope that he can play tomorrow.
We and some as a head coach and Ghana Blaster Perfano coach Utu Ado at the two animal dimusem no at the Ajao.
Honorable Sam George, MP at the man in Go Pram. Now then, Chima also Akasa at the Afa Accra to folk home and after coach and then Samuel Bodu Ochema, Nessa Samuel Bodu Wabra Obino, now to folk and Sunda somebody we need trophies. Now so Obino 2 seasons name, where we need best 6 trophies and Damaboku and at the Accra to folk Timma Mokase, Yan Saki coach and then Samuel Bodu no. And
I hear the calls of people who say Samuel Bedu should be sacked. I think that Hearts of Oak fans, we should be patient. I think that Samuel Bedu is a victim of his own success. He came in at a time Hearts had not won anything and didn't look like winning anything. And we didn't look like we were going to win anything. He came in and in 2 seasons he's won 6 trophies. And now everybody thinks that he can't afford to lose a game. Please, cut him some slack. I think that Samuel Bedu has done a fantastic job. I think that, again, with the Hearts team, he's constantly having to rebuild and strengthen. It's going to take time for the team to gel. Adriana was a bitter loss. I'm happy that at least we got a draw against Olympics in the match at Derby. In the last 2 years, they're beating us every time. So for me, that's an improvement.
We I am some Honorable Sam George MP Edman Ningo Pram Edituja.
Yene akona nyakopa do me de chena de Kumasi Santoroko ejina kono a omne swatama ede boni na omse omoje te say de omne phobia de no omoje na ade popular star 10 Ghana City Center Line omoje 20 Ghana City VIP yeje eye 40 Ghana na VIP no eye 50 Ghana City sa pepe enete e Kumasi Santoroko ene swatama ge nyakopa do ma ede chena e top ma bedi musem no ede ama.
Yes, Semna Sina Alaja can be say an Sunday no Salom Yahoo Blaze ne officiate between her to folk and 85%.
Oh yeah,
I was over 85%. Papa ya the point found in Semanco Foka and I know Ghana Premier League no game back where so Brekum Chelsea any media Maakye 1-0 in favor of Brekum Chelsea Prince and 85th minute no. And I will now go na the Brekum Chelsea into no ye reports are claiming so I can say see captain in the morning or for the morning show no was media the Joshua Cabinet Jenim Yosef Faji Eotin in Kansas of the Pompoku Areboye Raymond Asete Rat Eboye ye de see Captain in the morning. Wobo fori amanfo, over to you.
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofore Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba AHENKAN933 FM.
Shake it. Chroma shit, baby I shit. Sikana lock it, baby I block it. Suya maya bemumo, I befa. Befa, oh befa. Befa.
Obuoba Ofore Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba AHENKAN933 FM.
Baby, I shit. Sikana lock it, baby, I block it. Suya maya bemumo, I had an befa, oh befa.
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofore Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba AHENKAN933 FM.
Your brand motivational speakers, won't try and quino. Your parent, you know, be.
Sibano, Ediana Mienu, and Abapa no part no son a home. Me pacho bebre ya twa so ye the sports. And a day a bre mono. The sports of way. Is omwa kasa my time on okrampo and swom omuwie omasa di bi ma basa me ntwa so ma wo mo. Hey. Enti omoso kan jam say ne Nyankopon ya adom anwumre no nsia. Omo the commentary ebebremo. Ghana any SCF from say Nicaragua was a day we a country more per country ni omo bobo wa Nicaragua. Eti Jacopo ya adom chese anwumre yi no nsia omo be sinkonya na omo the commentary no e dia brel ye to aso wo ha.
Baby, I shit. Sikana lock it, baby, I block it. Suya maya bemumo, I had an befa, oh befa. I had an befa.
Maybe I try the wadachi inti de twaso edi amount ene anope wadachi inti de ede nam yese wobrofo kasemuno. Even if you kill yourself for some people, they will still complain that you didn't die in a proper way. Even if you kill yourself for some people, they will still complain that you didn't die in a proper way. So be wise. Say uku ho de mani pa bia on ubetumi aku ho de mani pa bi na po wawu awie no obeka say debi owuo na wuye no kwa na enye fe na wose nka wuwuye no anka wo chia wa no baako motivational speakers anybody bi hu ye hu anybody bi hu yes I'm here enti dia wo hwa wa ho odin betumi no na wa ye say your mind chichiriye say ya sorry bi mu na wo say ye kuo bi mu na wo adwuma mu na wo oh mi kumi ho de ama wo mo no mahunu say yeah no tie yes say impo uku ho e de mani pa bi wa asase so a say nipa kro no abeka che say o da bi kwan a fa so wu ye no kwa anyi nhye da anye kwan papa enti menye se me yama na so mani oh me kasaboko no matemase oh there be matari shem kura me sesa no se ne be yo mo betemase there be oh ye oni pani bo no mo de opa akoto nantwie ku no ukun nantwie ne de man wie kura no obeka kire se there be Unye hwe enti anopedi e ka chon se mwani na ho mentie di ankrofo kan fa mma wo bra men kase me yamana so mani inti you are trying to change your identity, your real identity, and you want to change it. Anopai the person me catch on said do not change your real identity to suit the pleasures of people. There be that. Don't do that to please them. Me yana so many me yano mo ani agye ho wan hwe abeyam from so fashion utrim say impo ukun ho e de mani pa bi a on be say twom ho abeka che say e kwan afa so awu ye no kra anye kwan papa nti ya no wa hwe ni ye woda chinti mu ani na ho. From Genesis to Revelation, Bible aka say ayaka enye nemom e free Genesis copy Revelation no mi hu wo ba bia Bible atwere say ahweyie enso so enya adepa enti ayaka de eni Bible mu but ahweyie de o Bible mu enti ya no ahwe ho yie we nipa ho hwe ho yie ahweyie nipa bi bedu bone nipa bi do be kwa mane mu me yamana so nani o enko ba bia jade oye no we nipa yeah the safa my na fe MYN obia ya wade lares ade chale no be lie bibia ya ade obia ya wade kroma ya shit baby ya shit sikana loke baby ya block so ya my abemumo yeah then I befa befa oh befa yeah then I befa Baby, I try and find her in 7 fantastic for the one crat. I'm about sorry from Dr. Kwesi Bini and I don't pay you the buy or say, bro, focus when you go out, dress normal and neat, not flashy. Never wear any clothes that can get you noticed or identified. Enti ebi ana ye adwuma wo factory bi mo prescribe atade a wo hye ya menta nhye sa atade ni wo fie mfa nkwadwuma mu aha de factory bi ani ha nti wo kan sa akra no a ebe ye bibi huhuhu bi di amayen ebi ana mo atade bi a we no identify mo adwuma na mo ye no identify wo sha identify me hu se we oye adwuma wo mo we oye adwuma wo factory we oye adwuma wo aha we oye adwuma wo aha sa atade no se enka nkere wo se upie no akọ adwuma no a se nka ha ye nkran de a nka factories doors wo ho se nka ha ye nkran nka ye wo companies bebre a omo hyeda wo identifiable cloths a wo mo hye na eno na no pay Dr. Kwesi Bini se nka nkere wo se ahweyiye ne bambọ nsem nti sa atade ne se impo obehya jacket bi akra no ahye jacket no de ayeden e de akata so ukoduru adwuma ma no wayi wade se ubetumi a nka wuduru adwuma mu ananka wahye memma nipa nhunu memma nipa nhye wonso enwo se wanamo ntuo ni ade a wo ye no utwam kura ka se asomasi na etwam no onyan ọma ni tisu bi wasi ni tirase but utwam otumi ka se ye wo na wutwam no eno ene na no pai otuyefo se atade bi ni ade bia ema ye danso no yemhwe se ye betwe ye ho afiri saade no ho ye kwa abonten a enwo se ye dress chenkyeren bibire saa enwo se ye manipa hunu yen se we belong to this association there be eba saa no a obi pewadu bone enche na wahunu when you go out dress normal and neat not flashy never wear any clothes that can get you noticed or identified. Dr. Kwesi Baini ene anope de ode ba ene de mu amane no so de ama on we ahweyi nsem asehwe na yetu ye nhofo a ebetumi aboa ye papa pa yeda ase de ubonkrata moboso no ye de betoa so e de amount na sene me sha ase medi kan bo amane no ene yen issues no do so but mienu ene ye big ewom ye behwe yen voters register ene continuous registration ni other activities ya ekoso ewo yen voters register no ho no electoral commission me no ka say wo parliament ya odi another CI akoto parliament ya ohwe ni mu se sa CI ne be mature na wo me dia ye adwuma na nso so eyade a yenwano mo NDC fo nso arezi wo mo issue de afa ho na watwe wie ye no na me kinkan krata bi na me kohunu se opani ba ko e friend se Sam Jonah samo kai no Anglo God Ashanti brebi atwam no ono ne pani oda wo mo ano o kire se sia no as we speak Ghana oko Anglo God Ashanti ho no a ye shares ya na wom ase wo mu tu fam agudie ni wie na nke ba ye nchen no omo kire se ye shares no se ya ton adio si aye ne den yi o aye bibi huhuhu inti se Sam Jonah erezi issue bi de fa ho se empanimfo mo mani nko ho na omuntumi enye bibi emfanfa ho na nyankopon ya adom a NPP fo be kwa abatro so na ye nya ne nte ye tete se enipa atwe omuti so omo be ko ne doso but NPP fo mpanimfo enso so egu enkita ho die eso omugu so a omo hwe se omo be selection for the primaries inte enipa be se enson ene ato omo nka se omo enya NPP omo presidential primaries no omo be kobi but ye tete se empanimfo no omo kasa omo be sone so ama na duru enipa no a omo kɔ no omo be sone so betimi asone so ama na duru nipa be se enum enipa be se enum na sa enipa enum no na ye tete se ebeye the vice president the current trade and industry minister Alan Kweju Chairmantin Kennedy Japan ena ye tete se omo ede opani Joe Gatti beka ho ni mi kan nyina na ya tete enu abie because already no man kasa kra mo ko present krata bia ena NPP amanyeko nu sumbie yi wo mo akwanya mu nto ho se wo a wo pese be prebie ne bra ena saafo ya mebubo mu din akọ but it is of public knowledge ya nyina ya aware se wo ba Ghana ha no mo a empanimfo mu atwe nti se wo mo pe MPP Frank Krafo Dibre no ye wo vice president on mekan officially but we all know ena Alan Chairmantin ono so mekan officially but we know Kennedy Japan no de wabeka so wobekọ but omunya mie punu nto ho omu bie punu to wobekọ fa ne nkrata sanso ni ate owura aboachi agyako Joe Gatti nso yate opani kunadu apreku ono so yate si wonya bi a obekọ ena opani kwabena agye Japan ono nso atweneti se obekọ so far omo ma twomti so obekọ no ena mabobobo edi amawo no na saafo no na yetete se NPP fo no besone so amana ka enipa enum epe enipa enum pe ebiri mo chese da bi nko mo nsone so na nka nipa miensa na nka mo mfa nipa miensa pe no enkonkonko gina na saa nipa miensa no mu baako eye Honorable Kennedy Japan opedi na ebiri mo nso kire se omu guso omu eye survey ahodo no bia survey na omu guso ye no na eba be there di se eye likely se Honorable Kennedy e Japan ebetimi afa ho awini abaye Frank Crawford ama NPP amanyuku no na sa analysis we no enya senketwa de obonkrata amboso ne de beto aso na afe ye de ama we breni ho nti omu delay betimi ye afrim ni akwen anim brain already is gone nti yesre wo mo metena se na afe ye mfa ma ye ntentem ni akwen anim na encrophobia so e de wo mo adwenkyere de aba ma mpanya kufu ado a yakokobodi ntutuo no nse oko program ne yakobodi ntutuo na ena opani stand dogbe enso de na no atum bi kire se we no kire se Ghana fo abamu abu ewo NPP amanyokuo no ene wo mo amamu a iguso a ekoso sisi ya no ugidi yie se abamubu aba eninti ena a whole president ebeko mountain the biggest stage like that na ono ankasa ni kromufo ono ankasa ni mamufo eba be ye pa away pa asagro afi crowd ni nyina eka bomu a pa away pa away ade yomo teso mampani akufu ado won free stage ni so nkokra no na bre no stand up na no atumu kire se we no kire pefe se ni daso eni gidie a yenya ye ewo aban emu no asesa agidie na to nsuom ebirum so kire se enye only aban yete so epe na gidie a wo ni mu no ato nsuom eye amanyokuofo ni nyina na gidie yenya ne ewo mu no ato nsuom ne saafo ne ya adwene ana se won so or any different opinion set tekpe enso so ka kire Ghana fo nyina titiri ni aban se babia yeduru sisi ya no consensus building and was ye nyina kan ho bom na ye de eboa ma yen alien economy no esan e bounce back anopayi enkomo ne doso yibinya botre ne afa ni nyina makomako e de ama de obon krata mo boso no na ye de eto aso mpanifo ma wache
ajuzo
mpomboko de
Okonzwe
nyame adom enso me hoye pa ndra de kwaku manhu
namwapa
oh okay me call na wo bae I see ba se bibia hye yi de
boko
e de radio ase yentinsi bi enkomra
okay anapa no so about per minute aduonum nsia de himama ye wo mache mama kwa ba biem de ba ahenkan 93.3 FM so de bonkra tawdo abadwa so na poso ene de ba beso mani die kwan so dem de shase the new crusading guide de obokrata pepa sports kwese de bia ewa Ahenkan FM na ne bana caption de ba no pay ene say ye so ma konkro Ghana ye kupa ye ku ezan say eya nkofo bi fa kwambo so krandro pa di from mamu de kwama no ne bi so di from no ne de bo mamu ma wo mu kirema Ghana ni abre pa ku atia saade no sanse e ha dwen pa the new crusading guide the bokrata enebosa amaniwe wom de maslok penyini ya otua no mami mfoni aba na asma kan say wom ayadwuma na adwuma na omaye no so manyanya no papa anya no so nya papa kekew esan so esopa ti wom bo abaso ya wom de obabesi ono na etua maslok ano mami mfoni aba pepe ni abayo akama ni mfoni danum se nano pe the new crusading guide ena ebosa amaniwe yoko ana mami tuwa adodankwa achim asante achim banka de hye ano ye former CID boss mami akasa say yoko fo ya adwuma say enuoma enkoye bia sikasema enkoye bia no wombehwe so mbedi hu dwuma wa abra auditor general de ne report babetu wo manim no ena ote so mbegyina so pa ya adwuma na wo mo enya no papa bi ehun nsem ni mfoni the new crusading guide obokrata no edby ene anopai na dem di twato okrata mu anopai ye ganot abankra chepani yeso akwakodum asuafo akade ene nuama do betumi de asuade titu ene enkunya wakoma wo mo nkunya mako ahanu 500 a efasuafo apemba ko 1000 ezanse ba ku bia fa nipa mienu dual dex bi wakoma wo mo 500 na se efan kwada 1000 the new crusading guide the obokrata
daily guide the obokrata na de shimama ya de etuaso na daily guide obokrata no ekiremu ese IMF for wamane Ghana nkitawudie a ekoso ewo wono entem wo sade be ya we no Ghana for IMF for so momra no mo fo musika meso ya asene na aja yesusu yenhwane atoto no mama economy no enyina nti o chese no hu ano ba abaye no egusu a ekoso de bokata yi so ede abato commission me kire electoral commission ona hwa abato tutu ye ne dwumadie eso ma me otua no ma me Jane Mensa odinfo nyini so ede aba ene wo kire mu se wono mu se ken kedua ID card no me kire voters ID card no omo ye de ya omo de Ghana card na beye an wutwi mu 10 by 3 ye pekora na onni Ghana card anya de so benya akonna so atwere udin na wakoto aba fimpino ene aduonu enan de obaka tai edi mu ensem no enso edi aba na adodan kwa akufu ado Ghana man panyini Global Citizen Festival jumadi ekoso no awokopie mu awase bia wache sadishin bi mu ano mo wonum eboni tutuo no da boka tadi aba a chese wache mu se MPP amanyoku no edi atodwo akire mu se NDC fo na ehye akiri saade ekoso no nyina ho ni nyina no NDC fo na ehye da pa plan ye omuhu se na dan kwa gufad bebo no mo hye da kwa saade no eti we Ernesto Usu bempa wono enkitawudie kwankyerefo abede kiri na edema MPP amanyoku no chese wode sa ensem we ede atodwa kafra na wode mra se badwa mu chiame hene yewura baben esumfonyi ede aba na wode atodwa chirim se enya de se wono so wayi ne ho ede afri Ghana Bar Association no ho dabi oda so shimpa oda so wom owie ye wode Ghana ma panyine abede kire Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia asumfonyi de aba wono so de atodwa chirim se aban no aye krado sempo tunwuma de enya de se obeto no ajeje mu kra wo ye na fam de bia de no ma wodo ede gu akwan so se de be Ghana ebetimi enso afa ne ntoma pa ede afra we daily guide wakata no most authority we Ghanaians favorite newspaper mum Ghanaians favorite newspaper daily guide and some of the banana pay no
The Chronicle the wakata mu nsam nam de to so adeshimama na kata de emfoni makoma nan aba na mfoni no aye ndi samonyokomu emma na ne bana caption eno no wo chema ento ashubi asi ndi samonyokomu na ento ashubi akeke ento ashubi a obati asiwe ye emfantini weye akuapimni weye fandayi achimni onyamni anti wanti saade ne bi na asim asi ndi samonyokomu titu ewa santimantimu enam so ama santimantem dwomtoni penima ndi samonyokonu se de wo mu ye no chipa de akofa weni na aba ne se owura yi chema wo mu ye campaign etia no ewa santimantem esanse o mu se o ye fantini enu ntiama mentimo ase asi ndi samonyokonu mu eba no ekwakuo NDC enfante achim akuapem ne de ekeka nkrani saa no mani bi ena achesim wo no mu The Chronicle ena ebo ho amane ene anopai do ajaho enso efresen manim yei ento asko school kwa free SHS ananado dan kwagufu ado de aba no yenyen sakraye ewum sanse yare pan ti aba ne nyen sakraye ewum The Chronicle na amane no
na dia medi atwaso the Daily Searchlight woso ne kanea no edi chinchine o makonko Ghana mu yanom ne nsema wodo a onyaye a wode baaye no ebi enie na wode atodwa da baka temtem se wo Ghana hanum enkro ni binum wo onum a wo mo chese sidi no se de dollar no sebe eposa no yam no amani dikura nya akono eti isi akọ Ghana hanum kro ni bi so a wonu ma ja sidi no gi odi sidi no ko no monje omugi sefa onu mo ben sa Togo boda no so no sefa na sisi omo so omo pe sidi no emwa wo ne mo tie ho asem na oboka tenso ede aba wo ha no mo na wo wie ya no so wode opanyina ono na hwe dwade ni fidi dwuma adwumade ne ntotoye eso na nadan kwakufa da mamu yi mo me Minister for Trade and Industry Oru Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen wo kyerem se okopiam ewa tifido mantam a Northern Region one MPP for one of them say one more tap upon a chip pampe say I think Pino near Juno and 9 on 2 franc and farmer a year MPP among you couldn't tell was them the Bocate and so Eddie Abba Alan Kojutra Martin and no. Na owie no nanado dan kwa kufado mfonyini eno de eba biem eno de atodwo atem se nanan wo ton eye abibiman yi wo chese bibiman de wo pe baby pa a wo pese wo ye investment wo du sika be shom dwumade no totoye mu e ma so tumi nya so mfaso a eno anya bibiman ye ka bibiman so de a eno anu o my konko Ghana enti Ghana ena wo ton ye se ehwonom de oba Ghana de oba na be investment wa no ma chese obenya so faso bebere ena o ka kire eye abrofo no na owie ye no ena wase corruption keta hye dwum de kankan ne proye wo kirem sese ye de ho sobo no ebo a ene asofofo mpanyfo akukuda matotwodu ani ntira akukuda mfo e wo mo my konko Ghana me ha omo ka ho sanso na amanyofo esoso ka ho afe timamufo public servant for ni nyina omu nyina so ehyembi tikita hye dwum de kankan ne proye no ayese amanfo yenyai wose ho amu ne nyai eyeye ne a timamufo amanyofo asofofo akukudamfo wose obia ho bɔ mu tie nyina ye gyae a ebeboa we eye Anglican one bishop banyini baako na ono so de sansem we ede ato eye edwa the daily searchlight ne nsem no ebi enono
the obokrata ya to din say the Meridian the obokrata nam de eltwaso National Petroleum Authority NPA fango diesel ne de ke kan nyoma yedigugu ya shemu ni motom ni de ke kan ne wo mu ne hwe edin djuma National Petroleum Authority wo makasa wo mase ni nan so mo de adesade eto wo ma eto fango e wo filling stations a wo do anim se wo kwa akoto fango a ya han woni pa fi wani ti sa abo aprekesima na odi agro filling stations no mbebu enu nti ose okoto petrol diesel oil ade bia ya fi wani na mo wani nda hono asa wuja won ketua bia wo de beyo na o kire se we mu na kan bi ena chesaban tum ketua bi pe bon se okoto na odi guma na asa ozi petrol ni boy den dodo ti ose aban tum no we mu su tumi mafia nti okoto a fi wani the Meridian ena National Petroleum Authority for etusafui Petroleum Authority for ya na sakasa wo mu chairman nyame boa International Petroleum Confa bibi ebekoso na ebesi Ghana nye ebe host nti nyambo ochina ebekoso omode ho nsem aba sanso ena owura koka ebribi ogina se nkopedwomteni pani ewa santemantemu ama NPP amanyeku no ena chema wontumi eyi ne tofom se tim owura koka kwasa na small kanina ne se yeni na yembo aban no na yesika sema ato apeno yen sampedensi wono eno ne adesede owura koka edi ato Ghana fo anim ewo Meridian de obokrata mu enanope
the Daily Dispatch the obokrata no emu ensem adechimama eno odi aba obuseo ayasembisa wose wan pa ene pempen eye chiniye akatamanso ekuo NDC emu ugbowura mu park trafo di bre no hwan na sefata no enti wo busa wo da obokrata yi emu owie ya no eno wose NDC amanyekuo ikoro ya ukopie mu ewo framantem a voter region ohwe emma won mo hwere ye ewo hono mo anaso won mo to abadi tia won mo ade ko hanchichemu na wose eye ensia ene achiripo ensia wanchichemu no ensia ne achiripo ensia ye emma won mo hwere ye ewo ho anase ye to ade tia won mo enti obusa se ekoba so mu yi eye running mate ade free won mo a ade ba eye 2024 okon na ebeboa won mo na eno so ya sembisa ene obusa wawie no chem say wo eye afutun so wonum so eye agapade bia yedija wo hene wo no mo ose eno so ase ompese obepound mo bema eye temamufo nso behunu mu bie tie ho nsam so da obokrata yi enso ede aba osoafo no ene hwe eye anyinamoden dwumadie ne ntotoye eso onmonyamfo mati opoku prempe na po ne mfonyi eda ha no pai ene eso ono so okwakopie mu ewo eye Africa Energy Summit dwumadie bi enso ase katafa to so do mieno ode asani people enso ede aguo the Daily Searchlight the Kafra the Daily Dispatch mum enso ensem enono
the Bokrata de Tosamon of pay, the atudin de uncle, the Bokrata. Woman to school there been for nearby. Na school dano iron tabo, and intensi be ebosu. Say, Udu and Bubupa, no one can to Mabacasa Yatinkun. Now so, and Gunan Quadatana so ewo munti, as a school diampa. Na, Enfonium de Abbey, and a mocha say, and more you school diampa and panso. Enfonium de Abba and a pay with the uncle the Bokratem. E mwa e gudanmu ene nipa so ti timusu ade eja wado e mo rem ena de anko kire say e mwa agi school dan aboso school dan so anya bapa bi awiagu ena mwa akwaja baboso e wo bosome frɛ ho ena wo mo eche na wo mu chema akyerɛkyerɛfo awofo wo mo bu afu papa ya wo mo kasa tia sa school dan hu we ya e mwa so akwakwaja boso e school fo so etimusu ade the uncle the Bokrata na ebo sama newe krata koya san kyerese masrock pani maami ba ye oden sakrai fufuro bi aba na sakrai ode ba na se aboa pa ama eso abapa e o masrock dwumadie mu de mdi twato e wo the uncle mu ene se omanfo beka ye nche bia e na asen central mra shebjeni odumnyafo Kennedy e Japan e ko afahye e wo ayi framantem a togbe afede ene ne nkrofo pamono won achede ode kono wo manje wo mo reject kwa ya asem na eno na frafo wo ehonum ni na mabunu no mabunu wo voter origin ababonten se wo mu hia achopa afi Asogli Palace togba fede na tenaye wo mu hia achopa afi ronom esan se wo magu Kennedy Japan ni mase na dienti wo mu hia achopa ne se Kennedy Japan yire eya igbeni enu nti omo be panecho anyasa wo magu nanim ase the uncle the Bokrata mu nsem enu no
abusuafo de yede AP suo ede ama wo eye the founder na the founder the Bokrata no said yedi kan abo amane o the Bokrata yedi kan de asom wo no dada no say IMF for program no kase o ma be piem o my kokko Ghana mu yanom a o mo ne economic management team no won mo agusu asin konya o mo to adwene pe kon wefa so a Ghana economy no sanso betima gana na mo so ebiem katafe to so me no the founder the Bokrata no ede asanso aba sanso and a right to information bill no so sisi ano ayade se ye dwuma wadre ne se emra se bedwafo so omagye atum no no eye fees for access to information eno so omo ede ho enso nsam de aba no so yeso omo approving tie ho nsam enso so eno no Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Bomi aye Ghana man panyin abedi chiri akwa kopie mu mfimfini mantamu okoye no wote se kwansini mako eye aduonu mienu 22 km Sino Hydro project eno so eno eye Cape Coast inner city roads no eno so man panyini abede chire enso akwa kotwa homamu a wote sisi omo awie ti ekwan no adidadi demo betimi enso afaso kama enwa asem the Bokrata enso ede aba na eye Ghana Revenue Authority for JRA for ene so omo so omo sa aso eye empanfo bi enso emu shops mako enan one mo yeso umjumadi omu edi no their friend say value added tax one more man receipt this receipt no mo mfa mati yakoso omu won se na so mbebo okoko say wa woton ade bia sa value added tax no receipt no mfa ma no yeso mu aso be hye to mo from dwumadi na se omo hwehwesafo na omo di dwumadi omo enhwe masa receipt ni so ho nsem ena omo so mo nsa so shops mako 9 enso so emu na owie ya no na wo etivido mantamu so afo Northern Regional Minister ono so akobu nkonta said ye mantamu ne yede hye ne nsa said ne dwumadi ne toto yesebe etie na no na okoye na ode atodwa ekire mu se ubepiem won pesu aso a ene apomde ansemu no dwumadi mako bese wo ha ene du enwotwe 118 project na ekoso na ochemu se mu mako aduowotwe mienu 82 die wona mawie omato omonsa ede afiri ho fiti bra aban yi eba ya fimpino ne du ensum no project mako aduowotwe mienu 82 no nyina no health project omo awie enti eno so nsem eno no wei the founder the Obokrata no emu ensem.
Yes.
Okay. Mame now see eh. Ya yento aso ahadmo. Ana bibi wo ho.
Ayi akoya bribi oba anum see ya. Yeso e condition ana no popui. Coffee rater. Ana nyambo ayi oye ne nana yi. Tino oye se mi nkoja na ntina.
Coffee rater.
Coffee rater.
Obema no de coffee rater.
Coffee rater.
Oh, okay.
Also oye nana yi wa yirebi.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yate. Inti so be koja no.
Rater do e be ko ai. 27th October e be ko. 29th Kafra.
29th month. Next month. Oh, say na bi wo.
Ndu okra.
Okay, mame na sedeja yento aso ewo ehada ubon krata mo boso na ebusun etwegu ya menuanom yi de ebre wo no yeto aso na yakọ yen anim ewo efie hanom a wo hwe wo bre no asima no edunan na abo apa anopa no nwotwe eho adwenkyere no so betumi di aba 0594841044 0594841044 de fa ho de ba ebehwe na yedi hu juma de amount mu amode yabadada on WhatsApp console no nia inshiraba anelka ekenie ose wabra mampani akufu ado ne ohobrasefo abedi akire Mahamadu Bawumia wo mo ebo adwuma de Ghana aba si kwan papa no so amana ye adwuma bie mu no NDC amanyuku omoti opposition no dede ene anwea mfuturo ene omu etugu emframamu saa keke na NDC de enye moma yenka se de bi mfa nkyere wo mo je amana kura de debi enchanko ma mampani abedi akiri Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wono ne NPP wo mo Frank Kurafo a wodi ho inshiraba na ka de odi baye no we nzo se good morning mamachi global festival global citizens festival no mpese me ka ho asem kakra sa rejection ni hooting no e course wo ho no mo no kire se baako enye nipa bebre no a no mo hyede ni mo mampani akufuado omo nimu no da bi ne etoso mienu metimi aka si supin se yawo political and social gap aban no kire se aban ni gina baabi na Ghana fo nso so egina wo mo anko na we no eda edi pefe se wo sempeni fo hwe no me bibi fa ho ne etoso miensa Ghana fo bibiri eti ase se amanyofo eyo ma se de se nkomu bie nwuma na so mu bie nwuma na Ghana fo ebre eno ka ho bi ene ma wo mu nyina aka bo mu a ohuru omampani no nti eno so ho asem no mwadwe nkyire bia mode baaye eno no ye to aso na yakọ yen anim di ama mo madi kan aka kire wo se na yebedi nkomo de afa yen voters registration a me no kasa yi empanimfo pese san ekoso no ho na oba Ghana yen 1992 constitution no me wo wa ha ye be ready portion no na obi afre bia betumi afre no na yen ko yanim ntentem ye ready portions of constitution do a kasa about for no nti yen constitution no se wo fa chapter 7 ho no kasa about the representation of the people na ho no article 42 no na eno so kasa about the right to vote enti yen constitution no Ghana Bible no kire se every citizen of Ghana of 18 years of age or above and of sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled to be registered as a voter for the purposes of public elections and referenda. Enti we yen constitution no said ya kire brofo kasemu no ye de baye de mu a obi bi oye Ghana ni na wanya mfinhia no edu enwotwe ana na eboro saa na dwenimu da ho na onye oleseke na dwenimu mom ohunu tuntuma onim se we tuntuma ohunu kokwa onim se we kokko owa akwanya se owo so oto aba owa akwanya se ewo se ye twiro ni din na se ebere so se ye beto aba se ebi enye se ye beto aba kra de yi mpanimfo na emom ye gye adwenkyere de afa bibi ho a no ye dodo adwen kire ne obroni friend referenda no enu bi na ekoso a oye Ghana ni o ho akwanya se wo se wotimi ye den eto aba yen amamra 1992 constitution ne fa etoso aduanan emienu 42 no ena eka sa asem no na eno no tokoso se eba saa was sa electoral commission so de nhyehyɛ de gu akwan so sɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ ɛbɛboa ama abatoa no atimi akɔso enti ene yasɛm a yebisa ne sɛ new CI electoral commission ɛde kɔ parliament no ɛbɛboa ama yɛ nyinaa yɛtimi ato aba ne bia na sɛ senate yɛnkɔ ahoma ne so ne yɛ ne Dr. Serebo Kweku ɔyɛ director of electoral services ɛde ma electoral commission yɛne ne nkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ doc oti yɛnka nka ne fam so nie ma kyɛn nyame adomo na nso
Adumula.
Super. Enti nia akofa hula balloon dia ba fa mu new CI no ho eye sisia de ye eda parliament no eye CI 2021 eno no kire se Ghana card no ena eba be ye the only prerequisite document ya Ghana fo be gina so ede akotworo wo mu edin wadawroma ye penchechiri mu kakra eba ne den ena the first CI 2016 the no ye free ho.
Okay, me chao na what you going na. The thing is constitution no article 51 among kwan say adele e pese ye bia no. Yeah, in fact CI from na I can tell you. There was CI 91 a passing in 2016 so come on. Registration and 2022 yeah amended part of it as GI 126 because diverse last in the card passport guarantee system on Ghana card and among the guarantee system no a fan of farm community members and let them do the I hope on Munya do what you did. And say, the developing new CI no. Now, I was in the money and son. First one is first, no, can be a very children and never cut to one now. Be the game go for Kundo Canabino. A very continuous registration. Into the answer, one doesn't know young people more. Na beto junior na za fawo to ho na wo de kwayo letter commission office na wo bi aka ho we are making no for attack na no mo amuncho mu ni dada no the wa wa cho din dada na din wo to about 2020 the won ka ho bi bo na of na o manya 18 years na na se bi to man to bi asam yaka that is me say o kwa fu Ghana card ko now, and I'm be proof of eligibility. I'm going to be chasing again and when you do what you because be our card. And I touch me on that so. Yes, say they are not in will be a maybe an eye not to start from. No, doing what right to the moon. Do you ever tell your select and I have bloated? Yes, I know so no. Going forward, no, your name. But therefore, I to be good at home. And the no, only being under my almost and answers are from now without Comodino. Maybe I can never be free. Do you have new CI now? Yes, one, no, am I a continuous registration? Two, bring through the Ghana card. Three, one, Ghana area. But then, birth and death from your mom. You can't ever mind me at me, you mom, was yesterday for the month. Now it's enough for you at some point. At the phone before in Qatar. The night like a bomb.
Okay, Inti Wadaroma, our parliament for how many days now?
Like preliminary and a young man to official to parliament. The parliament will recess. The only money about 2 of them official.
Okay. Inti ever since this semi beto mountain, so there has been a lot of arguments here, been also expressing different opinion. One, and it say you can say you use Ghana card no as prerequisite for voter registration. a bit disenfranchise a binomo because Ghana card, you know, and you BBR and a when you be. And as we speaking, so and I am no more year Ghana card registration, so I get to say nipa be brinoa in bi. Na say mo banke more and semi on data. Ubetimi achieve dia more here.
Oh, that's it. The canon. Which and I for now. Mugusa Moya continuous registration. There may be 291 registration centers. Electoral commission be 267 centers in Bayajma. And the idea and some kind of the first now, we never give to us the registration in so be able to train new electoral commission over to Abano for 2024 no. For more than 2 years out the Ghana card. Not to that rubber. The NCBA wouldn't Ghana card is another. Ten Bia no Ghana card from some Dunumo 2024, no, which is more than 2 years now. I don't know to do a card corner could do. That is a franchise, no, and the Berman has a year. So we are here, really say, so you be a continuous registration. The BBA now is about Ghana card. With now and I told you. And I just say, you didn't pay 1.8 in the dollar rate. The 1.8 million, next year, 1.8 no. The business actually did it because you know, Ghana carriers are there at 15. And the one go for a market within the Ghana card. The answer argument is not to be natural. And the engine, they will give you by the time I see you time personally, not challenge the China area, no matter. And will be asked to from one will be our energy selection in the year. No, young catchers there, the German composer Ghana. And they will propose a more Ghana card now, right? Maybe at 2021, this hour from here for training. And now you go to Monday. My want to move to the and they depend on the Bacono interest. But in Bacono, 2 years. Or more to get Ghana card, not to register as a voter.
And again, ebi so ka say NIA no politically oriented. Enti betimi abase bibia betimi asi along the way. Say mo de mo ani to wo so na ebi a wo mo nhihye ya wo mo de asi wo mani so no. Makoya amanyofo na ntimi amamu a electoral commission ade na mo mfa clause bi emasi ye da ho sisi yi. Say na be ye no ba be ye alternative to say ekoba say ni omo hwehwe omo nsa nka ye be yusu eno no aba manimu a ma consider.
No, so the first question I will say I want to say yeah no who am be the person resolve. When you put my person resolve one say the person yi omo a omo nya Ghana go no face to na omo to matwom ni. Na so omo nya create no so omo to matwom. The alternative in America no one can say how that alternative will be to am achieve your goal say e be yama manga nation register na man kola so register because that register no for Ghana register not for other countries. The alternative we are because we are no so we say that alternative we am no say the bit to abo am but we achieve goal say mama non Ghanaians in register no for now nya beside
munyanya insu na ebi mu nso kire se nyankopon ya adom a latter part of next year assembly election beba so ade insu musuma project say by 2024 there per the assurances National Identification Authority di amamo ne se omo betumi aboa mo ama mo nsa ka sa data no mo krampo mo kire se by sa 2024 no mo hwese mo di nipa be 1.8 ebe ka ho about for no so ebi beba so before 2024 mo be de nya sa complete register am ye dia koto aba no
okay and I for now by the end of this year anya 2024 afia nkwawe no matter some challenges now we are over the opportunity Ghana time no na wala put person and yes we are 2024 negative maybe we do 1.8 in there and I pass over from Siana by the end of this year, Arizona.
And we are talking about organization, Nimia National Communication Authority, did directives by say, or Babe blocking for SIM card because almost register ye. And near almost also a document a year so the registration, NI crew ye, NI babontin because said there be almost timeline almost the abanum to me meaty. And we are talking about a political organization. It is a electoral commission. Too sure than hot on so. Yeah, kwana ye ba.
Okay, and I put there now. Almost iPhone, and see one more. Busum we September, you know, September the 2 cruise. Coming and you can get to it at the moment. Somewhere awesome. Don't you SIM card registration compare with voter registration. Because SIM card registration, September, Busum area. No Kakaka 5 weeks. 2 years away. Almost
and even on my timeline, on the bar for September, you crano. Minumi you nabeja to say any penny on Monsaka or Ghana card. Inti SIM card is yes, you pay more, you be trouble the name. I said almost the end they set it, yet the only set it as a premise for most of you.
And I'm almost the year. Busumia area. And you'll be out there, Busumia area. And I'll be out 2 years here, they're not going to Tunisia. As a big school. Not for 1 year, coach the West. Not for 3 years, coach the West. They'll be out 3 years, coach the West. They're more realistic to be out there 1 year, coach. Just almost there. A different ball game. What do you amount back on 2 months, 3 months, 1 year go there? A different from the amount back on 2 years.
You assurance and say by 2023 assembly members about 20 unit committee the no you be nyasa registered the atwa bana capture say any pay nyina yen dey sem franchise will be
by the end of this year economy there's all the challenges the end of 2023 I was crying
about say more cling to NI for assurances no too much you ana
we are now woman. If you want to plan based on assumptions, and if you don't have assumptions, the debate may be able to negative here, and they won't move plan to a problem. You go to school, I want you to school over pass it. Who will pass when you're BC, who will BC and not pass it, not quite West. Who will not pass, not quite university. Positive minded assumptions. When you are there, them go failure, and they'll be failure.
But say planning so there should be alternatives. Say for her was it to me balance wa hanso.
And then bizarre why didn't say and I for giving 2 years almost so challenge the one to there's some difference now. Maybe I know why you are about that. But there's given the time and the resources.
I see. Inti said you watch the na stakeholders are who do being so at no. Say penalty then why NDC almost so are raising this huge opposition at the ama monsumu decision.
That question I'm gonna be to my the area tell me yes positive. Tell me as you're positive, you're very realistic in our projection. The time in 2020, for Ghana, there were a lot of who cry about it into me. We know in Ghana, they wouldn't ultimately have to say it's reacting in Nigeria. The review I the way and Santa and Canada. They can't because they were the Shaya they told there that is every time we will go. The Ghana will they will give you pass there. The Shaya they told them. I might be a camera. Come now, because he's near register. Now you're ready. Now we are doing with it. So much kind of that because I need commission interest. That will be a Ghana near a day. We should do able to grab them and come and then they enter a boom as a crowd. And they were say Nigeria they to come biano. Bia be kama na obi also train the automatic.
Okay, my final question I mean ya on ekokra enti sisi ano ne ye hunu ne se sa CIA or parliament sisi ana ekwa repeal CI 91 no akoda parliament na ehon so ekokushia sa strong opposition no na opposition no ko boro momo so a mo bibi fofora mo besan de akobiem.
Yes, no, because the BI is in a positive. Because in the parliament now, Mama no patriotic. I'm not going to make my idea. Every my is another credible. Because credible election, no, it's a credible legislation. In a credible legislation, for Ghana for, and what I didn't him, I hope we didn't him. You could do parliament now, on the give you who say, the Ghana, I don't think that you do more parliament. But as a backfasted the system, no. Now you're the wrong people. I could by using a BI should be concerned. Say Ghana for the rest of the year, not say Ghana for the something. And yet, our work.
Doc, ma yena si bibi ani ebesa babiom.
That's Yamisha.
Yami inshra won so nti ene Dr. Sribo Kweku ena ekotwetwe nkomo no ye Director of Electoral Services ewo the Electoral Commission na yene kokobo nkomo na nti sane mene no eka ye no anase wono ankasa krade atudwa no afibia no yekoto aba Ghana mamra no emma Electoral Commission ni tumi se omfa constitutional instrument nhyehyeye ewa abatwo no ho emfa enko mayi emra hye bedwafie enti si yebeka ya 2016 abatwo no omo di CI 91 ekoye na sa CI 91 no mu no se obi kwa register enema no omo eje anase evidence ya wo de bekwa kire ama omahuru se wo ye Ghana ni no one na eye ukura Ghana passport ukura passport a omoje ukura driver's license a eno so no omoje ena national identification card no omoje ena ebiom an existing voter identification card eno so omoje ena wo a woni ni nyina bi no nso wo se nkrofo bi begina mu eya akagina mu de ma wo na omo ebegina mu no nso no e wo so omo ye register voters ya anaso ya register omo mudin wo Electoral Commission wo nkrata mu enipa mienu ena wo so mutumi ba begina wachi gina mu de ma na wutumi etro wudin na saa de ni nyina na omo se sisia no CIA da parliament emprempren ame no kase no ekoyi ni nyina firi ho na fe ya di CIA foforo de abeya adwuma na saa CIA we no de ba beya adwuma ne de make Ghana card no as prerequisite for voter registration. I just say no pen be the sole document apart from no unni bia registration no untumi enye and crofobia bra raise issue afa when this for resume issue omo akyerekere omo nsem mu Electoral Commission so say by hook by crook I was see a team stake to ye ni so ade hunu nti omo de eno an homo de ye adwuma no pay ye dimu enkomo dada ye kwan anim na afe ye de enkomo no foforo atoa so e de amount yankonkodi napco enso ho nkomo kakra yankodi napco ho nkomo kakra yebekodi napco ho nkomo ba before no yankone ne Reverend Dr. Samuel Wolanyo Mensa oye lecturer ewo Wisconsin International University College and Crime ena ewo oye economist wa benepa yani opani nkomo kakra dok oti yanka AHENKAN FM suni Maakye
yo mo to say
nyame adom na wonso
yeah,
the radiasi inti as we speak Ghana yen economy no ya sign a downgrade yen fetch for from a CCC no ana yakra yesu no you say ya bedru CC e bi musu timi term as a junk economy abrewa bia woti e na no payi se otebrofo junk economy no a asekere ne sen
yo me da CP any junk economy it means that the economy is in recession, and now the risk level is very high. The slightest mistake, the economy can collapse. That is what we refer to as a junk economy. Junk economy also means that the basic fundamentals of the economy are all weak, and that the debt level of the country and our economy cannot sustain the management of the economy unless there is a very strong external assistance. So junk economy simply means that we are in the verge, like we are in the verge of collapse. And if care is not taken, I believe things will get out of hand.
And is it the fault of yen manage economy no? And I say external shocks send ya na ibimutai kekano no?
Well, what we have currently on the table, I think we can blame the managers of the economy simply because when we say we have a chunk of money coming into the economy, when you look at our debt stock, it's so huge. But unfortunately, most of these monies were not put into capital investment. Capital investments are, in short, projects that you do so that you will be getting some benefit and now profit from it. So most of these monies were not gone into such projects, and they were only used for recurrent expenditures like seminars, capacity building, paying on salaries and wages, and maybe government flagship programs. So at the end of the day, sad things, the moment the time has passed, you realize that the money too has finished, but that money cannot recoup anything back into the economy.
I see. So, with the intervention of IMF, is there any hope for your economy? No, said your workers are so ready. No, say bitimi asa bounce back na.
Well, what we say is about domestic discipline. That is how I have said it. So, irrespective of IMF and now World Bank and now any other institutions' intervention, once we have not disciplined ourselves and we are not willing to put the money that we have received into good and long-term development planning, even if IMF is here, if IMF said they should give every district assemblies 1 billion, at the end of the day, IMF will not be there to implement. And if the structures we put in place are weak, if the anti-corruption institutions are not working well, BAM is definitely is going to be a worry to us.
I see. Yes, fahon say ye nenam wa ye kope emwa, but ye deba na domestically no ya anye discipline na ye be sign akọ ground zero na.
So it's just like you are going to take a loan from the bank. The bank will give you all the education. The bank will give you all the tutorials. They'll come and do all their inspections. But at the end of the day, who receives that money? I would say the implementation level is a personal decision. And if you are not disciplined financially, and once you've gone in for a loan, the first thing is you go and buy a car. First thing you go and buy a house. Meanwhile, that resources needs to go into execution of a contract, of a job, of a project. So at the end of the day, I would say about 30-40% of the money has gone into your personal issues. And definitely, in such contracts, you can never finish. So the same thing happens when we are managing a country. If you receive a money and you are putting the money into areas that cannot generate any money back, once that money gets finished, you will be in debt. You can't pay. And so that is the situation we find ourselves as a country.
And again, ever since the economy say nenimugu ase no, aban no edi interventions be brady abanti or share say ne appointees on be cut certain amount of almost salary percentage bi na etumi aboa and which there has been an injunction of about $750 million Afrexim Bank loan. Yes, and so we heard him say syndicated loan 1.3 billion. Ebeba IMF on so the near heard him say 3 billion ebeba. But still no economy ni brand ebre companies ne groups ya almost so reti gusu reti and bad. What are we still not doing right?
Oh, sir. So I like people like you. Also, the concentration of your interviews very excellent. Also, ever since government Abano announced they are going for the IMF conditions and bailout, I told them they shouldn't go, in the sense that the problem that we have has to do with mismanagement, misappropriation, and misapplication of financial resources. That is our problem. And even if you are sick, you go to hospital, you need to be diagnosed first before treatment starts. But it's like nobody is interested in knowing what is causing the problems we are facing. But we are all interested in providing a solution. How can you give a solution without really knowing what is causing the problem? That is exactly what we are trying to do. So I told the government, now, the issue is not about money, that we need money for this and that from IMF. The issue is about blocking the loopholes within the system. If you look at even the Auditor General's report, do you know that the money, the misappropriation, the money that has been reported is just about 40% of the amount. The amount that has been misappropriated at the district levels, at the regional levels, it is only 40% or even 35% of that money that has been reported by the Auditor General. The rest, about 60%, is still just left alone. So at the end of the day, if really, and when we say, even that money alone, we don't need any IMF money again. So I told government that until we block the loopholes now, why is it that I believe that my statement has been vindicated is that now the cocoa syndicated loan has come. That is almost half of what IMF will be giving us. But what happens? Inflation is still rising. Exchange rate is still rising. Interest rate, policy rate is still rising. So you realize that there is something wrong with the fundamentals, but everybody is pretending. And I don't think, with economic issues, you need to pretend and use it as a political tool or political information. And government has been championing so much political information into the economy to the extent, people don't have access to the right economic policy decision information, so that individually people will start planning. So now everybody depends on the government. Meanwhile, most of the things that we do at the individual levels influences government's programs and negatively and affect us back. So I am of the view, let's begin to educate Ghanaians. Let's forget about political information. Let's put economic information out there. Now, things will get quite difficult next 3 months, next 4 months. So everybody should reduce their expenditure. You should reduce spending on unnecessary things. Reduce spending on clothing so that you invest into your children's education. These are the kind of messages that needs to be going into the system.
I see.
Reduce your use of your private cars, and until it is highly needed, use a commercial car. If not, you'll be increasing your cost per day, and that will put much more pressure on you. These are the information that needs to be going to the system. So all these loans are coming, but still, we are not able to sustain the depreciating cedi. We are not able to control inflation. We are not able to control interest rate. We are not able to control policy rate. So definitely something is wrong. And so all this money that I just come, even if together is equal to what IMF is going to give us, what will be the difference? IMF officers will never be in our district offices as district internal auditors. They will never do that. And it is Ghanaians who will be there. So if the internal auditor condole and connive with the accountants, with the MMDCs, at the end of the day, we are still the country's money. So it's all about discipline. That is what I believe, that in as much that we are professing higher education, the moral education should be introduced at all levels of education, to even a PhD level. Because without morality, without that sound mind, without apathy for the welfare of your fellow man and woman, the least opportunity that you have, you think that God has blessed you and it's for you. So until we are able to conscientize a society, I don't think this IMF is just like giving a dog a bad name
and hang it.
So IMF, you wait and see. When IMF comes, 6 months, 1 year, government now will put all the blame now on IMF, that they were in the process, but when IMF comes, things rather get worse. So IMF has come to spoil it, so that we are going to do diversionary tactics.
So I get the impression, sir, the government is only throwing monies at young problems. Instead, say, swallow the bitter pill. Normal kind of crachere, they are doing otherwise.
Sir, you see what we say, since the Fourth Republic, since 1993, it is this government that have the highest, most brilliant and excellent social intervention programs. But these programs are very capital intensive. And so for you to be able to achieve that, unless you discipline yourself as to how money should be used. Our government spends money on a lot of political activities. Government spends money on a lot of flashy programs which cannot be sustained, which doesn't help your own economy to grow. You see? So government spends a lot of resources on populous policies and programs, flashy ones, which doesn't have any direct bearing on the economy. So assuming if it's NAPCO is a very brilliant policy, but implementation is very weak and poor. To me personally, let's assume, say, some time ago, I've heard that Honorable Ferry Blay bought air-conditioned buses for every constituency, MPP executives or MPP constituencies. What is the contribution of that to Ghana's economy? And I want to say that amount of money they used to buy those air-conditioned buses could have been used to buy tractors. So he could have used that money to buy one tractor each for MPP executives in each constituency to go into commercial farming. And that could have changed the narrations today. It will have made everybody rich within 2 years. It will have made the country very rich within 2 years. So I don't know why we are not willing to roll out policy, pay attention to the areas and issues that will invariably affect all of us positively. But we are interested in giving people 1,000 Ghana, 2,000, 5,000 Ghana. They clap for you. After you leave, the people use it to buy funeral cloth.
and even on political policies, yeah, workers almost spend this on. And a typical example is NAPCO ya oka ho asemi. Bepem for 10 months, abine him to ya womuka o.
That was the quantum of resources that have been allocated for NAPCO and loans. Go and do audit. If you do audit right now, what we say, it's only about 30% of that money that goes into NAPCO itself, into the real program. the rest 70%, you can't account for it. That is why I'm saying, sir, those are institutions, those are policies, they don't have any standing structures for you to do monitoring and evaluation. It's just like government said, okay, you have received so and so billions of cedis for COVID-19 support, and we have cooked for 1 million Ghanaians. Are you sure that government has cooked for 1 million Ghanaians? How many people have they given food to during COVID time? But those are policies, if you really want to still, you do those things, because even if it's 100 people you feed, you can say 1 million, because you are not writing people's names for anybody to go and verify whether government has given you food or not.
I see.
So those are the challenges that we have. If we leave the economy just for politicians, core politicians to manage, I don't see ourselves coming out of this kind of trouble soon.
Yes. A bit more raise issue say yes, there are some aspects of your ministries here. You bet me a jai my politicians na more manage, but a bano economy. I was saying ka ye jai de more bini wo mu say no experts no mum e more manage. Or so I express our opinion no. Is that a step in the right direction?
Well, it's a step in the right direction, but all depends on how we restructure the economy, especially when there is a competition between the two major parties. So everybody wanted to maintain their status quo in order to please their godfathers. And such status, it will be very, very difficult unless there is a new presidency, unless there is a new structure, unless there is a new reform. But I don't see things getting changed so soon as far as NDC NDP is concerned.
And this idea, we will continue to pretend we are doing something right.
Exactly. I was NDC leaving office less than 4 years. They were also complaining that they will make the economy better. So all the 8 years they spend, why they don't do it better? And as we are all complaining, MPP, things are difficult.
Maybe they have now seen the light.
Which light? Where were they first? We were still in this country. So it's just a political ploy. It's a political ploy. It's a business. It's a business people are running.
I see. All right. So the final question is, now we have delegation from the IMF for Ghana. Omo ebewie bibia on the 7th of October. Omo what is next?
Oh, I believe so. Ghanaians have a strategy. So because the government wants that money from IMF, all that they needed is the money from IMF. With government poster, ever since the president has stated that we are going for IMF bailout, I have not seen any change in terms of government's attitude towards managing of the economy. Their attitude, their utterances, the behaviors, the policies, and how they are pursued, everything just remain like that. So I believe that government engaging IMF, they are only going to say, yes, sir, okay, we're here. All right. Then all that they wanted is that they should be fused to agreeing to what IMF is saying. Once they have the money, they will do their own thing. Once they have access to the money,
they will do their own thing.
You mark it and see.
And I just say, but also IMF, they have been lenient on us.
The IMF too, they want work to do. So the IMF too is just a bank like commercial bank. So they too sometimes they wanted people to come and patronize their services. So if you also go for loans and grants and all that, it is only then that they could make money. These all their officers that they are bringing, about 10% of the money will be going back to them for capacity building. So that is what they do. And who actually do we owe if they are talking about debt structuring? Those that we owe are the countries that established IMF.
I see.
So it's indirectly you owe me, and I establish an institution to come and mediate to help you. If the institution is coming, will tell you that you owe people too much. But he's referring to me, the one who established that institution. So he takes the money from you and tells you that you need to pay people that you owe. And he gives the money back to me.
I see. Clearly, who watches the watchman?
Exactly. Who police the police?
Okay, but Abino also are projected, say, IMF Sikedia said your TBOC and Saka. Is it likely, say, before Finance Minister Ebeko presented budget for next year, November, no? Ebedru Honona Yensaka Sikanibi?
Oh, for sure, if government still wanted the assistance, definitely that money will come. But the issue has to do with, when we say government's policy, one district, one factory, one district, one warehouse, one village, one town, granting for food and jobs, and supporting education. These are all high-profile economic policies, and which most of them are long-term. Some too are based on industrialization drive, like one district, one village, one dam, one district, one way. These are all industrialization drive. My issue now is that IMF policies doesn't support industrialization. So which sectors is this money going to be? IMF money doesn't support industrialization. IMF will never give you money and tell you that you should go and use it to establish factories, industries. No. So where would these monies be going before we'll be able to pay back?
I see. Reverend, ma yemfensi hana bibie ni ensan bra wonchen biom. Yeda sia no pay.
Listen that city.
Yane Reverend Dr. Samuel Wolanyo Mengsa and I kwatwetwen komono ye senior lecturer Wisconsin International University College ewo enkran osan economist anope ono ne kwatwetwen komo de fa sikasem ho kakra no nti that is it. Ye jade amawo and I always say when you keep pretending say you are paying your workers also will pretend to work, and at the end of the day, no productivity ebe dwelle, yes, ebe cut down, and at the end of the day, you ebe say any sika 7 in your papa the alien economy blah blah blah. Yes, it will continue to dwell. It will dwindle to the core. Afi nyina be hu say yes. Amagani amagashia ni be hu na magahuhu. Some you are pretending to pay me. I also pretend to work. At the end of the day, you be hani no be kire no. Ni obe ya so be gu adwuma no. Ugu no a eye den ya se kodo eye ma na ibu aso ekeka. Ni entwie homra ye ba nkomo no ne aka doso. Ye de ni nyina e de beto aso e de amount. Enko ba bia maache your most authoritative social, political, and current affairs talk show, fearless and factual. You can't say the na train ye ba sisia.
Adama West Africa emamo adwuma Adama West Africa agrochemical company wo Israel na watena se ahwehwema hu se akuafo etom ne bia emfue timi gimafuo nyina de boso ni titiru ene esre se esre na agi wafuo aboso dia ene na mekanfo agile de amount wudua no ma bi ti se enkruma tomatoes nyadoa watermelon meko ayoyo anafei abroba abra esre na fifi fofora eba no hwehwe agile na first spray esre so ansan watu akwa akotim anasa wo de watimi mpo awie no na de agile spray esre ni nyina so hye no so mema esre ni nyi bebre ansana de agile akwa spray so de hia se wo ba hwehwe 10 tomatoes enketo no wa hye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yimu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhyerene a wo no ban na agu no entingu eno achi no akuefo mo nso dua bibi ti se beans enkate ana fe so ya beans no mo nso hwehwe vezil ekumfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no be ye ase de se wo ye nie unya hu se emfue na hyase e ba pe hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pe ubetu emfue na se nyina wo to vezil a betimi de spray afu na se empre nwotwe eno kure ya nso spray 1.5 acres eya no afa 30 mils anase obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wodi nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina anase wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo ye jimudi.
Hey! Agwazi hwade ujafo ena ne car engine ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wo no
ah bra enyo ne kamfu si horse engine oil man no oge na ne ekire yes bra
me na masam no akrabato
yakasa se sea horse engine oil no ene wo special additive a ehuru engine mu e ma ne che
me dwun ho won
na via den kra
ene me ne e ka ba fie na me fa the whole world open quality engine oil sea horse ene wo so say private cars taxis commercial and heavy duty trucks
enu ti no me kanfo sea horse 15W40 and 20W50 ama drivers ene ka wona fo nyina
afi motorbike aboboya ena pragiafo no mumu de mu hia eye sea horse special 40 eno ena riders and mechanics e wo sem use you
unua no kure wo mni say sea horse product ena ye papa ani bonso e wo form
sem frimu fia e free na kro sea horse engine oil nko na begu me car engine mu ene fra sea horse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 sea horse products enua
adwumayɛfoɔ mema mo ayikɔ
yaaye
na fɔma wɛ
master me wɔ ha
na nanu cement a mekɔtɔ ma mo sɛ momfa nyɛ adwuma no sɛn ɛna fɔma wohu cement no
oh master wonim ade papa paa
that's right
unisam cement a wokɔfa baayɛ no sɛ woto tiles o sɛ wobɔ pras no sɛ wotwa blocks o sɛ woto blocks o ama yɛ adwuma ayɛ mbrɛ
unisam cement that's ramate sɛ woyɛ mason woyɛ labourer woyɛ foreman na sɛ wopɛ sɛ w'adwuma yɛ fɛ yɛ akɔnɔ na gyina pintin dia that is the product unisam cement yɛwɔ bɔtɔm ɛna pepa mu die
na sɛ obi pɛ cement papapaa sɛ ya ɛhemfa na obɛnya bi ato
sɛ wopɛ unisam cement yi bi atɔ ɛwɔ akyem dane ne mpatam ha wobɛkɔ some cheese enterprise yɛwɔ amantra yɛne dukes filling station ɛna di nhwɛne mu frɛ yɛn 0243 583 190 ɛna 0540 659 865 sɛ woyɛ mason anaa foreman na wode enipa bɛtɔ cement baburu 50 bags so a yɛkyɛw adeɛ free samchi enterprise ɛna di aba akyem dan amantra a yɛne dukes filling station edi nhwɛne mu
Ghana adisiye Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
We bacho yeda aseso atwen yam yakoto nkra ba yeto adwumedi ni so dia ma mache live on your family favorite radio station AHENKAN933 FM. Midin Obuoba ofori amanfo. Still your chefak, still your commander general Kotoku Mayor. Yeda so ayesum o my Ghana eni Kotoku mine na senia midi kan bo amaniano pano National Health Insurance Authority empanimfo yi e de krata ba bonten so a omo chese instant health care for persons aged 70 years and above na enchirichirimu no etwa so chese unse kane no ho na obi was 70 years ya oko register omo ne ye nyina je se edi some months bi ansa na mature obetumi e de akọ hospital anase clinic ba bibia ye ge health insurance tumu no akwakoye adwuma na sisia no empanifo de krata aba bontin so omo kire se debi sisia no bi was 70 years ya o register wie ye no ane hwa no obetumi asan e de akọ hospital ama wo mo ahwe no saa semi na yehwese yen sabeka opani ono no ye manager edima National Health Insurance Authority ewo Bremu Central Municipal Assembly ono kra de enye Bremu Central nko a because sesu aduru ne other ensuing we ni nyina ka ne ho enti ni position no so pa sane man so across the phone nyina I think say omu nyina ba ne ha na ye ne no akwakotwetwe nkomo ne aginchirichiri mu pa a emudo e de afasa asemi ehon nti yegusu a yehwese yen sabeka opani no na yene no abon komo afa ho but the omde ba ye no ye mie ye ni akenkan wo brofo kasa ni mu kakra de amamo anti enra en omde krata e de ba bontin so omo say instant health care for persons aged 70 years and above in line with the government objective to accelerate the attainment of universal health coverage and bridge the assets inequality gap, the governing board and management of the National Health Insurance Authority announces the introduction of instant health care for all persons aged 70 years and above across the country. The policy eliminates into on abano yan kona yan konko jinjeje mu ni yan fa brofo no ntwentwene baabi yani owura Benjamin Kukubeidin ono no general manager ai edema National Health Insurance Authority uba yen potem ha opani on ne da no manager wote menka anope Maakye
ya mini oboba
na bibia abako de
obo de adaruma
super. Yes, you are pa. Enra de metimi aka say Ghana 40 asemode ana say it here.
So, yedi ka mechia ahenkan etiefo nya. Na Endra release a free national health insurance aso eba ye no. Eya ade a mejidi say ebema yem papa nom yem maame nom mo ho ahenkan omo pa. Impempi na no nkofo ba yen aso ya na ebi mo ha no mo rekwe fi omo ho say omo national health insurance ewu more than 3 months. In fact Ndra na me ho adodo me kakra ntimi angaza me kopia yaresabia ewo oda yen hospital si mu baako na me wo ho na papa penyi ba ya na ni mfie no ekọ na nim kakra over 70 years. Omo check in the card and then the card no ewu more than 3 months. Inti ka tetena I release the name by na u renew pa ebema 1 month waiting period. Sani yen share no eti. Uba National Health Insurance aso ya say akola card from 0 to 5 and no na sada na no active. Apart from that, a pay for pay so na no more sa kwenya no. Say the card na u renew na say new card the man instantly active. Omo amaka from ages 6 upwards. Ekoni na no. Say nipa no anya the card in terms so ba be new a man 1 month waiting period. Say renew no and apa ho osome miensa and also no a man 1 month waiting period. Now we na the chief executive Dr. Okuboy any in Pennyfortna who say na the how ebre yem papa no the agent in Pempensui omode sa policy na aba. In there say unfie 70 years and above. That's a national health insurance card. In there no ubetimi e dey call ayaresabia. And as I say unfie 70 years and above. That's a card in wu beye afeba ko in fie mienu ni ne chikra na. In there no you renew the mawa beye active ubetimi e dey call ayaresabia ni ahwe. Me dey say we asempa ene insemda begin National Health Insurance in penny for Edia Bar, Edoboa, and my young papanum in penny for on my poem within some, which me a conkai.
I see. Not just say, I'm a kind of good news, and it's about 70 years a year. And come take also bear, call from one bears 60 years, I think you.
In Pempi, no. In the month of November, the South Waiver no eba. Na Ghana for mestre say young mayoni and call Yapomudin in some home. And I'm say if you more hono master who say be a yana boapaya nasa refia. Yen to me in Cassa ma ubia South Waiver no esa na ebema yankasa so yejume dear no ato sing kakra. And I'm say say renew o card na and National Health Insurance yes so no yenyesika edb etua providers your call on facilities mo share free edb so boy adwuma no ho bra indi say a year waiver throughout it means nipa no nya ne card na da yare everybody no in perfume na some brain na all ba so ba be any card but sa age bracket is there this 70 years or no aba be cancer exempt group no ho say pregnant women any collab between the ages of 0 and 5 it is 24 tenants no mu hu say say no so no mo ya omo be but praying there in the month of November no National Health Insurance this waiver no eba obi bia ne card dey more than 3 months akebema no 1 month waiting period no the renew time ye di week celebration no apport ni na ya instantly o card ni active.
Okay, all right. Enti na just say good news abano no.
Good news papa na nyama pii na mkwan so ba. Nyama pii na mkwan so ba. Actually, be in the month of November, you beka and Huasem.
Okay.
Shese, and I'm there, Ghana for Pina, no, Ghana card meeting. Share in Pedifo Guso Moto and Honiama. Seka, a bedroom pempen Subicano. And one is a obey imported Ghana card data. No, yeah, the short code in as for Beba. One case obey to me, 1 year card, you be the crano. Obey to me, a year. From next year, Kono. Ghana card for start is more register between the ages of 6 to 14 years. It means the National Health Insurance card that you issue at our offices, the call for MUPI. It is in Yamani Nego Aponso, but I mean Bentham in Trumika. It is in the month of November, the chief executive and National Health Insurance are pumped for almost this omode ebe nyina no ebe tudwa ya pese tememufo no omo ho ehaha omo enkanka se ba omo apomudin semu a ni nyina ka ho enti na ya link yen National Health Insurance no to Ghana card se be ya bribia no se ukopia ya resabia na mpo National Health Insurance nkura na se wa link to Ghana card na ubetimi enya ayarehwe.
Okay, yera ma yenase nti yebetwen na November ne se ne okan ni bifufuro bi aba ya beginchire mu.
Nipa yo mini oboba me da so and paper. Ye
da si bebre nti ye ne manager ono ewo Bremu Central Municipal Assembly. Ye mfa ne se Achimodan Enclave no ono ye in charge manager National Health Insurance Authority wada ano Owura Benjamin Kuku Baden en ye ne kwetwen komo na anopa yi yensa enso so aka former PM champion honorable Castro Asumadu ade ewufie ha honorable
media
bibia boko de
nyame adom
e de radio ase
nyame adom
umu odin ankasa
nyame
honorable na honorable efi suwie no there has been a lot of issues anope ye pese yedi mu enkomo kakra ebi mu chese ona block on pese ye be PM bi ma anope o ha obi ya no na ensem ne doso but ma yen chance ye sei ye hu se honorable Akwasi Akwa ahye dwumadie bi ase a endra no mo hye ase a koso wadaroma obitumi akire mu kakra me ansa ne ahye yen komo na se
yo we de mefa akonye so na Maakye AHENKAN motifo na Maakye mempetra so community 2 electoral area Ous Memorial Jamenka ne kote stop nyinara amadaroma ti na mekọ assembly na mafaso achia MPP mpanifo nyinara na emede se centrofo adwuma no se mo amoka ne se mo amuhu na mo kan na ma adwuma na emre aso oton aduro oka mu no ura mu ahyaase no bika so ampama yusu bi dape na mo asem na tititia cause ya na manfo no agebo mu di mo esense be yen no amanyofo no ha enti ya no kre ye no Akwasi Akwa ye mock na ye ma ye offer for enuan mo ebetru BC GHS 3 for some ana making na waikins exams no awesome be di kan bibi arom de kokwamo sa no ansa na kodu ene ka no mock no eno nti kan no na awofo ankasa ene na efasa aka no eno no ye nyina ekọ school ye bi na awofo akọje na wo ma me ni bi wo pa ni bi so pe bi de ma ko wanya emmoa na ntimi ntwa exams ni
ɛno nti ɔnabo akwasi akwa ɔhyɛ aseɛ 2021 last year so 2020 yɛbɛto abama no yes 2020 ɔbɛtra akonya nso there bi sɛ mehwɛ na nkwala yi meboa mo na awofo nso sɛbe ɔmbɛ dedio mbɔwro mu no nso no mama ɛno nso ɔmo ho ahare ɔmo nti mɛfa ɛho ka nyinaa nti ɔnabo ɛde gu apon so ama ɛhyɛ aseɛ nti ɛbaa ɛso ɔyɛ no afi bia sɛbe ɔnabo yɛ nipa bi a ɔno no ɔmfa ne nsa nkɔka enya ntoɔ ɔde ka na ɔyɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ de ɔbɛtoa so nti nyame adom no afi nso 2022 no ɔsaade egu apon so a ahyɛ aseɛ ndra Monday na ahyɛ aseɛ na ɔmo de bibia bɛkɔ awie 30th menim sɛ 30th ne Friday a sa nti make as education committee ndra ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ kɔ apro ɛkɔhwɛ sɛ nanso dwumadie no ɛyɛ deɛ MPD wando ɔyɛ na fam deɛ ɛde ho aka deɛ no bibia ama very good to ɔmo kɔhwɛ ampa nso ɔmo tu anamo ndra no ɔmo kɔen baabi na hyɛ aseɛ a ɔmo yɛ mmom no we deɛ me ka we visa me education office ɛhɔ na me yɛ adwuma na wofo na we de me de ade hyɛ de to mo pɛsɛ yɛ mai ane office foi manim yɛ no mokɔtro BEC no ana MP afa mock no hoka free na sabe me ne wona nke nkwala me nyini sɛ nke betra fi ana mpa achamba andre ko school bebre nkwala no bi absent ama me school ti we de mesre be de me de sɛ ahenkan FM mama konyam de fa so na menim sɛ adom so tie mo pa ti awofo no mesre mo sɛ oba ebetwo BEC bi na otifie no so onko school sabe o enya sɛ yade bi ana bibia eso kye so okɔ enye yi a ene yɛ sabe enka sabe o yade akyinkyin afa ne kɔ ne mom nse bibi sɛ ani hɔ de a yɛbɛsrɛ so oje school oje ka sabe adidie sika so okɔ school ana wadwara hyɛ atade so okɔ a ti so ana wo teacher bi a frɛne bu ansa ampa ba school because abre na afi no mokɔtwro eti ade we no ɛyɛ mo as a practice and the practice no ankoye bia emedu hɔ no kɛse ni duru hɔ bɛbrɛ ehu kra bɛbɔ no ebiso onim sɛ ne ɛteɛ ɛno nti sɛ ne ɛteɛ na asɛ ne mokɔtwro no ehu photo mfoni na MP Adaroma waboa etwa akyerɛ mo sɛ bɛyɛ mo nkodu a ɛbɛyɛ mmira momo ndi sɛ ɔwofo bi ne sɛ oba wadware akɔ school nanso ebia no wankodu na akɔfo baabi ebeduo no obɛka so kɔe wo teacher number frɛne busa sa mpa so bae konkora no bebre no ko school mu at least bonya kwala bia so wa school ana ha na mo number yɛsɛn ebia mo number me de ka asɛm ebia school ba ko enim so mo number yɛ 30 me de ka asɛm 30 no education committee fo no ko du hɔ no ebia nipa bɛ 25 ana wo mo 5 na aka wɔn yɛ so wa school then wa school a ebo school bia nipa bɛ 6 ebasa na the question is 5 6 5 6 10 11 2 5 no ye kan bo mu a asem kan o ekoye nipa be 200 mpa sabe o sabe se mo kwotro na ma na so oda ni nyina na ye kan bo mu ye percentage na ye hwe total number na register nyina no na ye hwe percentage very good sabe e ba na ka se e bia nya 100% a na obi ahwe na che se dodo ni nyina ye den apase na mo ba ka sabe o ye nya 80% a sa 20% no unko hwe dodo na ye mo sabe omodi mu school ko no edi agro no kra ba kope
okay na just say clearly no awofo nso wa asede
e
wo se pese yen education ye ba no ratings no ekwa animu a awofo nso wa asede e wo mu e wo so mo ye okay ye da se bebre nti ye da se na edi nti a bibi sa wo no because I would want to believe say una wo kasa de man honorable ni
enokre
in committees ni sa no man no okay
na me no IPR institutional and public relations institutions say bia enyuma kuo say bia ban enyuma say mo ne MP no nsa wo so die no na fe ba e ka public so a bikan kita hodie so a ibi ne
all right and into mama bisa wo na fe yamra back to PMD no obeye adwuma ni one for one omo etie ni me say me de na me vouch for you me kan say wo sen kobiem enti eduru ba bia ka say wonko biem na say wo ma me anka san so personally me say si for ma fe mi hunu nipa me nkota na chi ade na wabu adwuma sa awie na fe wanko biem
yo me nua meda wase de me nkan brofu kakra assembly ho no sane me nya o ti wa adwuma mu ha yi agya e bojo so a bo adwuma de obi adi ho adansi sabe me nyini se wo de wo pɛ ana ye ne wo pɛ wa ha anamboa yesi ba bia no mfa se rules and regulation anase bibia ya susu dua bia hwe so de ye sanete assembly ho no so no sabe me beye omanfo assembly members edom me beye ma presiding member no enya me pɛ anase me minim die na mde ye adwuma mara ya shato aye kano standing orders and a local government act 936 into over section 17 subsection 4 of the local government act now or say presiding member obe hold office and as a term the mediation as a presiding member o mfie mienu ana ultimidi unse MP for abato no ye to abama MP o mfie 9 ye to abama mampania o mfie 9 ye to abama assembly member o mfie 9 sana mra na kire
even unit committee
so mfie 9 di mfie 9 no ene ye de amawo ene tumi a omanfo kokromoti ye de amawo eti mfie 9 ho adwuma na abeye nyame ya adom na mfie 9 no so na wa hwe na otwe wani na tutu nchenche mu na kari wo hwe na oh ebia sabe me am hwe adwuma ma ye ya ma bo adwuma den enu nti be se me sade me husi wo se omanfo sa fa mfie 9 nye den enka me ho biem sa na tie yes nti bo hwa omanpani Akufo-Addo ye 2016 ana oba Ghana fo na anim say yemfa tumi Ghana tumi nhyane nsa ana nyame adom Ghana fo tie no edu 2020 no me gidi so kare ne ho ehwe ka so Ghana fo de ayima no edu 2020 no kare ne ho hwe sa me di free SHS aba me de plenty for food aba ebia me ya kwan ma hyase enye ba bia no monya no mopedie but at least if you nya kakra asphalt kane no obehu asphalt age so afaka concrete ni kumase at least ye nya na ehwe nyina be nya akra so in short no ofo no hwe na ohun no oh we de me hu si obie mu say Ghana for nto aboma me a ebeboa anase me hu so ma yade etime de me hu be say si obie ano de si wa sa atoma no 2020 enu di sana local government act no and standing order na de ye assembly no 102 en ekire say presiding member o de nya 4 years minim say de ti na nya yi o say here de na say you cause we committee 4 years assembly member 4 years MP 4 years omanpani 4 years na presiding member de 2 years and the two no say o say the two no so a o akwanya say obesado ho asi obiem so manfo nto abanye den ema ho enye say edu ya oso me de ho asi yo omo se to aso da bi sabe ye to asam se den ese esa to so aba
okay
bajo so ada say ha enti nyame adom na mfie mienu no esoen no etwa mani ebu nkompon no na me hwa adwuma nyame adom masal members ade sha mensa no omo nkasa sabo machidom ene nipa dodo a assembly ho nyina no fa se abo machidom eye oda mansimu nyina so abo machidom bigidi se obia be dia dan se me nka tenten kura na ma pen free ana bika sabe o timamufo kura bete ya de friend presiding member ana no montidi nimpo emo we bia ye ba no minim se ye apef ye ma eye akono enti obia ni bedi akire ene ne kure enti aso wie na so da bi mfie mienu die matimi abo adwuma kama masade a nimde a nyamede ma me no me de atoto ne ma no me hwa matimi aye na enti nyansa ni ba kofo etim mizu se me ntranchen na obi ufo so nya den ebeto so
okay
the gidi se za di we no na santrofo na de ka mo fan project na mo kana nka sabe abasobodie bi o ha ka mo de ma me because we intense o abrofo na yesa
se ebi ase ya mo akwanya wo kan
na me de me kan be se sabe me yade bi a sabe ye ni mo ho a gidi ka babua na temamufo ate ndinka we nso a gidi se eye ade papa no
obetumi apia kofom
me su se moboa me na ma fon so tia if se debre du abato so amoni tuasa na tie omo twe ayi Taliban twe omo yese twe omo de ma fon number bi de no but me anka sama firi me pem se
me ka wa ha se e wo se wo san ko bi mu
rekore
me de any day bi anka be ko nka wo me support
enokre pa
di se adwuma na bia
enokre pa se ne ka no eya na mo santrofo mu ntubi nanso da ubone mo no eboa ma obi kwa na nko so onto no potimi eden eto
okay enti fine wakyerɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ mmara no de afam kakra ɛnyɛ bibi bɔne ne ba yɛnti na wankɔ biom na mmom wa na wɔdwene huhu sɛ mayɛ bi nti obi mɛtoa so okay wobɛtumi de afam kakra ɛbrɛ ne kɔ deɛ but wobɛtumi de afam kakra nneɛma ahodoɔ a wobaeɛ sɛ PM woyɛɛyɛ
nneɛma no deɛ nokura nie woka yɛ anka mefa me book bae nanso baako mmienu bi a ɔmanfoɔ kae ɛna mpɛ sɛ meka ho asɛm titiriw memɛyɛ presiding member no yɛn nyinaa bɛdi adanseɛ sɛ na assembly ni yɛkɔ so biara no na sɛbe dodoɔ no ankasa yɛnim ɛno to bɛhwɛ a mebaeɛ no adeɛ a meyɛɛyɛ a temamufoɔ bɛdi adanseɛ no sɛ ne yɛdi kan yɛtumi fa assembly proceeding general assembly meeting yɛfa no life a meka ahenkan koraa mbɛfa bi a ɛno boa ma temamufoɔ yɛ den ɛne di assembly hyehyɛ no akyi megye sɛ ɛno yɛ ne yɛdi kan paa
wobɛbrigi saa gab no assembly no ne ɔmanfoɔ no ɔmowɔ assembly nim no
because na mesusu yɛ kyerɛ me sɛ sɛbe akɔyɛ sɛ asɛ mɔdwuma mo yɛ wa woyɛ host no wowɔ ɔbaa bi ana yɛn nso a woto nsa frɛ nso wɔ ɛbaa bi nanso yɛka bom na ma ɔmanfoɔ nso ayɛ den atie atiefoɔ nso wɔ mbaa bi wo sɛ mmiɛnsa na sɛ woka sɛ obi agyina baabi ogyina a wobɛka saa obiara ɛmɛtena ha yeso ba be kasa obi aso ntie na mo yen nyina ka bom a o host no na me nso me madwumadie no na omanfo nso yetie na mo so afre sa na assembly hye tie edim be hu se sa tripod no assembly na kasa se edan no assembly na obi aka council no agina ho na assembly members omanfo yi nso agina ho na se betimamufo no to gina mba bi na koye se asa sabe assembly no ehia assembly members ya no ma twen ba mo we dem nsa ye krata man
ne no mo ye adwuma wi na ya sa
dem ne ye wi ne de fi nchen e bi assembly hia temamufo tax eto e bi revenue se bi edwomfo ticket na ye twa ba edwomfo ne abeje ye wi ne sa edwomasio to mi hu se da bi ye gina obi agina ba bi a enye yi nti ye nka mom ndi sa de ye ntwe sebe temamufo no ene assembly members no emme assembly no na yɛ nyinaa ni ɛkɔ akyi na bibi ɛkyia yɛtima den atene patwa sɛ ate ase
no nti ɛno ne one major thing
na yɛ one major ɛyɛ me
ɛna den biem
ne ɛtɔ so biem ɛyɛ nsɛntwɔfo anso ankasa sabe wani tua sɛ minim deɛ kan na bi yɛ complain ana bibi kɔrɔ ba assembly crap information kwa mu nya ne ade to bɛhwɛ mbɛka ya ayi nsɛntwɔfo nso metwɛn mo yɛ den ɛbɛn ana edi sɛ adwuma no because make a creative platform be cry information yes na me dey atos na mo so mo ahuni eko ne atoso bi e ba me ankasa ma sem members eno so a sabe so jofo mu di adanse no we dey wa on time ma assembly wu huni meeting o ba general assembly meeting a obi ka eh we dey high parliament minimum mo no parliament no etimi du so say we dey what done hanom parliament adentia if say kan no me ma ana me ye presiding member no na assembly use microphone ba akopɛ ye ka microphone na saa na bia akasamu na ekasam na ba akopɛ it is bia o person o asem kan ye meet na o pagya wonsa age say obi e the microphone ni kura na na mu na homa sen so tententen na wo de abrew na akasa wi a wo gina wo nchen wo ya wasaje na wasade akoma bi ufro na chese nipa no kra ye ha na dwen aso kotre betre saa timi transdam zabi say timi de nsakrai bia de eba it is na mete wo ya microphone si manimi sabe purpose na o he parliament etie no tie zo boae ama assembly so ya sen ema ye to microphones ni bi anya do saa de be na nipa miensan bia yisu microphone ba ko it now be kasa enei wo be kasa wa assembly a o ya mfa microphone mrew esi wanim ba kasa o mia na wa kan wasem o wia no wadum no eno so ya de a megidi se ema
modernize
very good ne to so biem sabio ebia presiding member no so ya assembly member to ni assembly members na ne wo hode na nso menua me no to ezi ebia minimudin ebia oboba so ni midin kaso ne mom sabio enipa adwendwen nti na bi krampo na wani damanim as na wo ref midin and so assembly ho no o fro obia so ofra ni din na se bia ne letter area and nti ebi what so no as presiding member no bi pagya ne nsa what is so pagya ne nsa but ebia na wodi bi ade friend no ofie mo kitahudie anu na wo kai ni die nkasa no besa din na mo di ebia sabe ye guy name no utimi mo assembly ho
say house
of records nti ho no utimi mo ho nti no me who's titri ye fan say bia me nua to boto asle member me odi am bia me de frɛ no so na bia e go pagya ne sa na me conference adi ni wo aso me bondi honorable Clement Atefa eni pa agye nwinte bia na awura afi enu ntimi ye say de meye obi adin ene ne letter area e de asi nanim ti no bo assembly ho a se na mamudi adanse no asle member bia adin asi nanim te wo mmra no eya so ba o kwakire bia pese otena o mmra bia odin wo no na wo kotena musi ya kwaye fra ukosabe high class I friend na your table number and say me na me dey chance you kruma say you ni na be 2000 you so me na dey chance you kruma
ma to ase na ayi o ka se me dey chance you kruma mama kai brother Sami so no so brudu ayedi enkate ye famudie no on dey ba Ghana yati inti se ye ba assembly ho a o ma enema na de dana kwan so orderliness e ba wo ho no mo okay yati inti enema na de eja wa be bobo bibre but enema ya waye nyina enye se eni ho a yemfo ye ni hu ye de ani behunu wo ho a ye betimi adi hu adanse na wo se wo nkobiem wo se obi beto aso yate no so ase but se sanity a se de we dey ka wabo foundation ni dada anka nko obi ba be gina foundation so asidan anka ngo so wobre adan na yegusu a ye bra ye nya PM yi
yo medase me gidi se ne wo keden kan kwan so no ana se na me kikan ya odi adansi se kama bo adwumi eti na o we ka so evia sabe o suro so kwa omo onyanti na wanko ebinom kasa no wa tie so me kan na abato so de sabe ezo yere no makwa so beto so aba onto so beto awie no utimi nka se wa fa ne tra but e bia obehwehwe sa nyina no so ahwe adwuma no aka so ke bia menko na se ne mekan no sa local government act no amukan no section 17 subsection 3 no mekan o say the presiding member shall be elected by at least a 2/3 majority of all members of the district assembly. We may debate you, but what I say, and Sunday be you as a presiding member. Abatona as a to swaba. Abatona as a tono. When your crown, as only any panon do no 2 tests. So be a cherry panum and son.
Your cherry panum. Oh, okay. As I be a presiding member. And yes, if you are Waminu Negina, it be a nipa 29 years members. There's a percentage in front of all the members of the assembly. No, assembly members Nankasa do 27. MC account 28. MP account 29. Name MP on Twaba. Name your kind percentage now. Your kind MP count. Okay. They are from percentage, no. Okay. The Tuba here, your case 2 tests. 2 tests, no. 20. Because 20, no. We have Mudianka 19. But you want me in nipa.
Says Sikadia, Kevaka to Yeva go carry home. And maybe a mass and content here, dear. Be nipa dear. A friend him sabi. Okay. I don't about 20. I don't know about one no electoral commission for a shaso. Send a 2-man penny diano. Send a 2 assembly member diano. You know committee any MPD nano. Electoral commission. Yeah, 2 MC diana electoral commission. And he said a managed to say, Sunny be you presiding member. As one year pardo no, a man but to your chummy and son, when you okay. Me only 20. Anna, and Tim found sir. Sabe ebia baakofo begina baakofo agina ende ye no kure ne mo ase to so aba ne won ye to so aba wi ye nkan dodo na wanya no ese onya 20 ne akire okay ne mo 20 na onya wa be presiding member ana sabe abato so onim se na tie se me kan hoyere no maso me to so aba afi na ba bi be ka twede bia board na no ana one na ma wie mo so be di yogurt awanto ama no ana hoyere ka so me niska ko ni tia wan fa ama no ene woni mo bitiri masem nanso yese secret den ballot entino te ka se aden ye nyanya aya abato
okay enti na je se the opesa wo kire ni nyina ne se emra no e na mode ye adwuma
sanity
emra na di kan ye adwuma ama sa figure no nia ode ne ho ba ase mo nto no so aba ne wanya e na ama bepem na yi munya enyi
anya bepem ne have bepem ne nasma ye kan de na ase ne acha biansa
na wo koda ma de acha kura nya asem
ene no kremum because obi ka oni ontimi na no bebre asade acha onyankwa ade acha na nkwa sore ko na fom so ende me gitum sa ndi amede compare no nyame ya adom a me be presiding member no July 2020 na sa bre ne ya ase pre presiding member abato no
se na nye
January very good enye
me bi se na nye enti ane enwo se ye
compare ye be compare because sabe ye so obobra na wan hwe wachi ne si edin na nam do mfa ba ko se mu ni agro no mpa je wade ase ye ne ye na nam mfa ba ko mu ni ne si ye eno ne kai mu na hyomoden na sabe omo che a na atene omo tene so na mato aso ayeden atene
enti nka we na omo sen che a ne se e was nke ye kai no a ye nye bi but ya kai buso ye
enta me kai se sabe ne ntia me kai no ye de so bo ebo obi e se ne sabe we ne di kan na omo de so bo bo no omo aso nim anampacha omo aso ne ma sa de ne si ye enta me kai omo no sabe asa sabe obi nua no asa obi akwati fi na okọ hu nsuo okọ hu no obi ehu oba ensuo na hu na nipa gina na de ho na hu nsuo yi ne ensuo nyina ba no anipa ko nipa bone sabe ono ankasa no wano akwaye o
I see
hunter me kai ne si no January ton pa choti o January 2020 ana sha se presiding member omo mu gina ye nyina ye ko no daria ana nipa mienu omu na afiri mu esi nchen sa na mra ne kire ana esa yi fufuro ana so ye ko ye sa kopim se nyame ye madomo a me be ye presiding member 3 July enu nti we media ni nta me de compare no che se ye radio no esa kakra bam ene sen August 15th August ana ye sha ase 15th August no ana nipa ba ko ayi ni husi o so obeko ana etoe ana wa anya 20 na emra na eka no
okay
ana ye sa sha date ene ye within 10 days it ye so ye no ene ye no 29th August 29th August no na no sa ba say sa beto ba ne bi letter commission ye ready say beto no ana no ankasa becha ne nsa ana oje microphone say ono ankasa so ayden asifam onko bi ba say atiase say na me so metam so me so mento aso no so say onko bi ni atonso aba nti eno no the question is one na aye asem members asabe no ma yem kokuru muti ready so mo koto aba na aye ana se bi nipa na yedi kan sha ase a ye to aso a o se onko bi mu no nti ye bo so bo no meme de ne se ba bi adane ye fanto se me ka su na ye bo ma ya de nya ne ye ka me en konfa ye fan kofra MPP fo ba jwa de ase ye nka me ka su asem
mate wase pa nti for now ne de mra no ye fa ne se mra ne de ye adwuma ya te ase e na ama ye nya PM but me gini se enche
ye ma me ntetra kra enya mra de ye adwuma te nya PM no ne ye cha ase ato aba ne ba ko nipa de hu si wo no we anya 20 no
okay
ana ye share next date within 10 days yes abeto so bi ko no akonya ba ko kan ho ana do so na ye beto no ono asi fo so onko bi o me ento so ababi enu te free ho no ye mfisi date foforo bi
say ye mra no ana mo de be adwuma
sa ho no de mra ni ho
aje no de assembly no
very good
ana enya mfa date bi
sana me patire
oh okay
enti sana me patire enti asam ka ene ndra najo ana menya me letter I just say afidi afisi date is it 4th October
yes. Oh, okay.
So Friday na me central for Asia na me kan wasam ka say nyame na say me she date nya ka say me mpese be nyanta me she date na nyame madwuma enu ntina ye ndra no adwada no assembly at the date hiding aba ti we say nyame madwuma se na me ka no
Matias me da se be brainti me ba bibisa se sa na tie dia na with or without assembly PM no assembly di betimi atakoso aye na adwuma anase PM no ni hu hia pa ye ba ye de ebeto aso me pa cho ye ne honorable Castro Asumadu Ade ono ye former PM ye kan PM an so ye presiding member ye Pentecost an ko ye presiding elder we ni presiding member wo ye Bremu Central Municipal Assembly and ye ni gusu aye twetwen komo wa ha no na ma me fast dan komo Anointing Lady Enterprise o semen kan kira wo se open cylinder burner, ceiling fan, rice cooker, kettle, blender, and a intadie no so or shirt a hoodoo bebre, trousers no or khaki trousers and all material dear wo or jeans trousers any knickers wo Lacoste round neck any akaka hu nyina obi wristwatch adbebo nsampa one so abehye shoes no or ni nyina bi wo ne ho no mo a ye ba no center spread carpet TV stand and a center table standing fan or ni nyina ebi e wo na kache ho no mo a yene NIB bank no eni die ni hwe ewo achem odan 0247058102 0247058102 eno ne number be friend na omo etimi agye so kama me pacho Jubilee Hospital ɛnso so services ne dɔɔso paa wɔse yɛnka nkyɛw sɛ bra yɛba no outpatient service wɔn wɔ hɔ inpatient laboratory bebree wɔ hɔ yɛbɛkyɛkekyɛke na yɛahwɛ wɔ blood group ne type no DNA test na apɛ sɛ ɔyɛ abra yɛn hɔ ne yɛntumi nkyɛke mfa ma pharmacy nso yɛwɔ nnuro bebree na bi wɔ hɔ no mo antenatal care ɛna postnatal care theatre ahodoɔ surgery bi a wakɔ baabi a meakyɛw sɛ kɔyɛ no oba Jubilee Hospital a yɛbɛnya abotrɛ ayɛ ne yie de ama maternity wɔ yɛn hɔ no mo ɛna ɛsan wɔ ultrasound system scanning machine kama ɛwɔ hɔ brabɛkyɛke mmarima no prostrate na hwɛ sɛ biribi a ɛdeda n'akwan mu anaa saa nso so ɛna yɛsan hwɛ ani w'ani ɛna ɔhaw yɛ aba ho ɛno nso so ba a yɛbɛhwɛ ɛde ama diabetes ne hypertension so nteteyɛ ɛgu so a ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ no mo canteen ɛnso wɔ hɔ kama wobɛdidi ama wo ho atɔ insurance no nso national health insurance and a private health insurance yɛgye ne nyinaa akyem ɔdan amantra bridge ne so hɔ na wobɛhu ne yɛn 0244575799 0244575799 and a 02417841 4645 0241784645 ɛyɛ namba bɛfrɛ Jubilee na yɛtimi agye wo so ODI Electronics sɛ ɛyɛ TV, fridge, deep freezer, gas cooker, blender, kettle, any washing machine. Brabejo the World Cup yi mu na hye na hwɛ wadeɛ 0554171393 05541793 ɛno ne number bɛfrɛ na yɛtumi agye wo so AHENKAN933 Asatec roofing ɛna ɔmo nso ɛfrɛ sanding seam self-lock IDT IBR yɛwɔ ne nyinaa bi sizes no nso 0.3 mm kɔpem 0.6 mm yɛwɔ ne nyinaa standard roofing sheet nso yɛwɔ 8 feet by 4 aluminium roofing sheet ɛwɔ hɔ alusink galvanized colored rubber ne nyinaa yɛ roofing sheet a ɔba wo nsa bɛka bi ɛna accessories no nso yɛwɔ regi caps rain cutters valley cutters ɛna yɛwɔ side stream ne nyinaa wɔ yɛn hɔ ɛna adoa nso a bɛbɔ ɛdan ne so no yɛwɔ ne nyinaa bi yɛde ɛyɛ China Turkey any German metal doors enso so ɛde aba plastic T&J enso wɔ yɛn hɔ no mo na yɛsan wɔ block factory nti mu a mu si dan no a free 4 to 6 inches blocks no yɛwɔ ne nyinaa bi hollow blocks wɔ hɔ yɛ supply anwea ɛsan supply aboba yɛde si ɛdan akyem ɔdan Kia station ne yɛne ne die no hwɛ ɛwɔ Central Market no akyi hɔ no mo a old CMB Cocoa Warehouse ɛwɔ Tema block factory no nso ɛwɔ Ntiamwa Hotel Junction ɛbɛn Ash Foam Depot no wokɔ hɔ no mo a onsa ɛbɛka wo deɛ free estimate kɔso ɛna 20 years defect warranty yɛgye ho di ɛne nti yɛde ato so yɛsan ɛyɛ quick delivery ɛde ma wa within 4 days no onsa ɛbɛka wadeɛ 0245 979311 0245 979311 ɛyɛ number a mepakyɛw wobɛfrɛ na AHENKAN933 agye wo so na ɛno akyi nso no ububa yɛn nso yɛte bɛyɛ bie kwan no mu de ato hɔ no mu de ama wo a wogye ho die no ɛyɛ na waba bɛ tro within 0593 649595 0593 649595 ofra nkɔmɔ no yɛne wo ebedi ne kama paa mepakyɛw ma memfa we nso nto aso ne yɛnkɔtoa yɛn nkɔmɔ twetwe no ɛso sobo tea ɛna ɛfrɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wo boost wo immune system no na wonya ahoɔden na nkwamwa no nso so tumi kɔde tia nyarewa ahodoɔ na wotumi nya ahoɔden di dwuma ahodoɔ no nyinaa bi mekamfo sobo tea ɛde ama wo akoma ho yadeɛ bia no sobo tea bɛko de atia ɛba akakaduro hwentia abrɔbɛ pɛprɛ ɛne aka bom ɛne yɛde ayɛ sobo tea no ayɛ kama paa ma wo nsa enka bi achimodanfo bɛkɔ Alhaji Hankuri Enterprise Frimpon Enterprise na ya provision store ɔmo nyina wɔ achimodan okonkran so adome market Ayimina Enterprise frɛ wɔn 0551 119620 0551 119620 na 0244087695 ɛno ɛyɛ sobo tea wɔn ɛna ɛfrɛ no na BM Audio Solutions nso ebesiesie wo outdoor speakers na asɛ no bass ɛna mid guitar ɛne ne akaka ho combo keyboard obesiesie ne nyinaa kama ɛde ama nti mfumsuo bi na aba wo machines ne ho a ɛno ana sɛ ɔbɛkɔ asene Aegis filling station anim hɔ a frɛ 0243977299 0243977299 ɛna 0245 2781959 0245 278-159 ɛyɛ number abɛfrɛ na yɛtumi agye wo so. Unisem Cement na mede twa toɔ. Unisem Cement nso aboa yɛn ama sese dan ahodoɔ a yɛsie nyinaa ɛyɛ afebɔɔ. Egyina hɔ no mu nsuo bɛtɔ awia bɛbɔ apetampe. Samchi Enterprise na akɔfa de aba Mantra Wache Junction. Yabesi abrosan kama bi wɔ hɔ no mu ne ɛbɛn Dukes Filling Station ɛhɔ a okwa cement no nsa ɛbɛka bi. Ɛnya no nko a yɛsan kɔfa iron rods ɛnketewa dantɛmo ne akɛseɛ ɛde abɛka ho. Ɛna nkyɛnse ɛde crew dan so na doa a yɛde boro dan so nyinaa no kɔ ha nsa ɛbɛka bi. 0243 583190 0243 583190. Enyumaku ya daro mu kra yemu ɛna yɛde dwumadie de brɛwɔ ɛdwo da kɔpem fie da bia mepakyɛ boiling issues no ya wɔda tie bi ɛfa ma yɛn ahenkan marketing department ne number no nso nie 0244 290093 ɛyɛ number abɛfrɛ na yɛtumi agye so yɛda so ɛne honorable Castra Sumadu Ade former PM Edima Bremu Central Municipal Assembly ɔyɛ assembly member ɛnso so ɛwɔ assembly hɔ no mu a yɛne no ɛretwetwe nkɔmɔ honorable before yɛbɛkɔ no na meka sɛ yɛba yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ PM no with or without PM no assembly ni betimi atoa so ayɛ n'adwuma ana ɛho hia paa bebree asɛ PM ni mu assembly ntimi movie
yo menua mɛsa da se biem mɛka sɛ ane ana mɛsa ka sɛ daabi ane ɛne sɛn anaasɛ ane ne sɛn one presiding member deɛ o adwuma no baako ne sɛ assembly members ahyia na ahyia general assembly meeting a ona preside it not just a presiding member ni wa yetimi ko general assembly meeting
okay
but also you tell say
no coordinator ntimi nya
Debbie
oh okay
ni mo na mra foforo ho a ebetimi dia indifferent
okay
aha eno so eno no ekohia na eno no ye betimi yi nipa ba ko say one term for tada na owie wa wi na dwuma
okay
aha eno ye baako ana presiding member una your committee bi a ye fe no public relation and complaint committee public relation no say assembly ni pan kita hudie ana complaint say bia temamufo ana say temamufo bi wo temamuni bi wo say be I can't say complain or they be assembly member bia ni bibi ana say yes assembly penny bi person obo kwadu e bi oyo bibi ana bi MC ayo bibi na person obo kwadu a say be ho ne ye fanko police station ana ye fanko court ni mum sa committee no ana obetwro e de aba tie ba transfer presiding member una ada no ba jo se atiase ana ye bi say audit committee audit implementation committee ebia internal audit and say ebia external audit abekwari assembly no adwumadie bi ni a eno so committee a etram hwehwem no mo say assembly ndi ba bia da beto no eno so sa committee no presiding member wo ka ho bi and apart from no osa wo oversight responsibility over the assembly
okay
ha eti ano make ano ne ane no
ho ehia no
aha ana da bi no so ye say ne ntia me make da bi no one yeni presiding member from August to September but you see atiase very good na emusa ho say akoto mori aso ball na ekopian no e piano time bay
okay
see e piano ni presiding member so e pian anamba anye yi dwa ya sha ase a ya dwira gu fom yi anwea ne aboa ne ya twefiri wen so nim say assembly akọ twebi akọ feeling kwantanum ba bia na nsuo no wo no ai besiesie ho yesiesie kama sabre na your presiding member say atima yiye ana ka say presiding member ni oti no ya twenye yi eno ye mienu
okay
ni ato so miensa ya wade ya enim sa twofo mu ko bi a eye mia mempeso aso assembly abeka te sword
yes ya ko bi
very good eno na your presiding member o de say your presiding member ya kate na nkate say ye and I want da bi no ne ntia make da bi nyina ne say assembly dwumadi ni atie nie say afibia no ye besimu a as ne besimu no ya ye nkonta ye hyehyɛ ewo eto
action plan for the whole year
for the ensuing year the 2022 2023 ne be ye bia no ye be 2022
okay
but you see atiase 2022 ne be ya to dwumadi assembly ni bedi in 2023 no
ya to 2022
yes the dwumadi bi assembly ni in 2022 no ya to 2021
okay
but you see atiase ye nti assembly ni ye ka assembly na ni mienu no ye papa mu a ba ko de na papa mu a ba ko no say ye share general assembly no ye share with them also general assembly IMC TOB MP TOB assembly members TOB adwumayefo TOB timamufo so be hebi ni ye be ka with them ho no eno ana edimu
okay
ni aka no awie no ye gitumu a
enti mintwa no me pese ye yenso ne amatiefo ba mu bi onyi ni se eye because of se sankrofuku ya obobo mu nyina din ehia ye na mo de 2022 de to ho no eno na nam su bia ma assembly no atumi aye niam wo ka se even without PM no
ana me kan
omo ye but ya dwene se sia yi afe no aye ko wura mu ne ho because I was here san planning for the next year sisi anso ne ni PM a wo so ono no ye ko general assembly e ma ne ko chair meeting no
say na make say ni make the PM ni hui dwumadie na assembly di no mundi
so mo adi because na ye wo PM no mo hye sa ade ni nyina to ho
ha it is the 2022 die say dwumade mu di na say wa action plan mu e wo ne account dia o metim dia dia adwuma ntam ka yes or no no but just what you say ntam ka yes e ma two options
okay mate ye ma tiefo emra mu already omo frefre sa na fe ye hwe na ye sorry so me pa 0201 9448485 and 0554820910 udini baby akase free
ato ye frame na asum kase fast ne
mpacho intio
boba yankopon kam ho ne adwuma pa moye
ye dase
mpacho upita former PM te edian na waya de kai no ifi se abubo ne am bisu na se ne am de bisu se o ya samme member nyama o kwa samme ho na wuhu ndi abonten so edian na yesu edi bi hu no kan my macho bi edin mama my microphone here there o ya member na kwa na wuhu na abonten edian na edi bi hu
okay
no so o man na di na yesu ye hu
yate ye da si bebre me pa chon su betumi aba PM or say wabubon achievement ni bi but no kwa assembly ho na abehu na omo e wabonten nso megidi ye so de anu yie e de be ma but ye meme dia anka be ma anu yie ne say PM no wudi udwuma wo ho osan assemblyman and ye na adwuma in general so de man nkrofo a omuhu udin be bi akasa free
oboba nyankopon hira wade nya bedman achemodan
mpache intio
yo oboba mamichia mishira odi AHENKAN because on na my tin sempe na mbisa former PM say wa kekan sem bebre yate memo no oka akwan asem say oda de yeka nyamika no kre akwan de wo bi badie ni bi because na sin aso ate krampo o de line be me o de safa so kra na so apepa ye bi say PM say we kwano kwam 6 any quarter stop kwano so no anu so omo ye ne dey I wo free sunsu no e dey ade no odi akire amaye nso oni nyame adwuma
nyame enka wo ho me pa chon su betumi aba na fe yenko PM ho na yemfa yenko matwetwe no emfa nsi former PM na yemfa yenko matwetwe no emfa nsi nti some messages ya mode aba no we say Isaac Owusu good morning AHENKAN933FM mo se ayiko or boy abaso ye da se bebre me ka say wo de ne question we so say a friend Baluso boy or say otie yen pa na show no na ni je ho yen to aso ye da se Baluso dia ono e de e ba ye eno no okay omo aka nyina bobo ya baso sa ya te ye da se ne abaso bodi ma me nko no abo hobium na anu yi a wo de ma asebisa ne ba ye no
yo me gidi se ni twato no asebisa twato no mefa no communities kwan no kan no ene kre ni wompa ne se communities a free insurance wono nya insurance
ana bo dey wadaro ma ntwe wana me ba to di be akasa free
hello
yeah hello
good morning AHENKAN
good morning boss me to di be akasa free
ya from uncle ya best some more ye juma mo boa municipality pa but ora no ho le preside no oh yeah but I dey ba ko am say unse odano oye den a ni bibie ni say MPP stongo na asem on fititi no then bia sa confusion in go in respect of election of presiding but then one say almost 90% here MPP ɔdan mu a ɛwɔ mu ahensɛm yɛ problem political party yɛ lady and wɔda nso wo asɛm hɔ a unity ni hɔ because yɛ bɛyi asɛm ma wɔekura no ɔmo toe ɛde confusion by currently the same thing ɛkɔ ɛnti obi wɔ ayɛ presiding na I presume sɛ wisdom wɔ ne ti our sense of unity obetumi aka party na boma na asɛm na mɛsina boma kababua the question say wa resign no ana onankasa redraw no a very good on decision but the question is you say first na manso atusre dro a chance ye nyina ka boma ne ya asɛm on go back no ko really sin refer if there has been a single program ye asɛm unity amba Sama no krana before say NDC for the other party too. But by this time Maakye almost MPP one. And then one is Kwanya. O my mu ayo mi ahensem the program. Na sam wo mu tiye. It's not share.
Okay.
Only party executive. Any MP. Honorable Kosiakwa. Omo hwe na omo nya saa de no. Na asumdue mra. Na wo ka say unity wasam wa.
Okay.
You to work. Kapatia, you need to you about. That's about a problem, and that's why I read that. You have to about the same problem.
Okay.
Or VC.
Yeah, that's it.
Record.
Yeah, that's it.
On your record.
Mate. Yanso, yeah, that's it, baby. Okay.
Honorable. The Jesus na make a kwanya semono. A free snet. Twa area kom sesinim. A free insurance urem. Efa quarters like me kan odan kwan do ni nyina no enyina nim se eyo how kesia penifo na se enyina enyan a enka yaye na penifo so me nkata megidi ko minim ne meka penifo so atu ho anamo yenka tiefo akrasa nim se odan kwan de ka ban na ndi abro efi se 2017 na ban na ba pa wana no ana o ma oda town routes no our do 10 kilometer route before backward no ko edi kan be patching to na krom I portos ya de so but have a refi hol kakra
on that
it na make us nya botra kakra
on that no in your capacity say okasa de ma MP e was institutions in we no ya be that fro and dey na person din komo yes ya be that fro ni aba be di no komo na fi asa be di market na nkasa nkasa ho komo
ana ne me papa ya na me pani kan ni twa to isi no no kra ne oka no ne be di kamedi ka say assembly ho no ye ni MPP ni NDC India make us say India make no so man pene akufo ado ye say nka MMDCs no about kenko to nso ba no party lines
na anye yi
ye say anye yi ni twa say amanyoko bi ka say ente say ye be say ye de amanyoso no ba assembly ho ye be na MPP NDC na kide sabre de bi ni ho anaba say ati
emra mu ne de ye ni NDC MPP but minum ye nu nyina ye ko pentikos ni Roma de enim say
no ne sa sabe mu animu a nya atwemo na Ghana for do no bi e ya ban bi anasa manyoko bi ye no ye nim pa sa de se ne tie ese so ke ye be no official asamka ho sabe ye nim sa asamka e bi asamka say apetishi sabe antiamra anamboa anasa bi a enubone antiamra ne mo ye nim sa manfo ye den enom ye ofase fodom ye nim ba bi o mo no no ento so aban bi agba so okay se ye unti ya munyai te se de mra batere chire na wonnom mumu a wanom ne kwan paso no se poi wo ba se nkwala me wa no so
yate
hande me kan se ne o kan no assembly hono kranie so me kenkan mra no mra bia ni ho ya tro se eye wo presiding member wo free so no wo na hwe ne yenyi foforo ene ye ne di kan beso on man for ti etino me no sabe mra bia ni ho se me ne aka se me na se me hwe na me nyanye da bi.
Okay.
But what is it? Two. Send your cano. Send now assumbie or one. I say, so the ship presiding member, Ebia, a young nano, Chanakas and to assumbie wa, me mean to if you say 2016, 2015, 2016, refugee in Accra. Sabison or Kaino, or cousin Pippin and this. Obianum to assembly or your dark radio. Your trouble master members are. Yes, yeah, no man, your summer. Don't want to be MP before, Sunny Canon.
Okay.
20 Satamno, 9 before me, Nagina. And NDC ni baako ade de ko say
okay
ye kom NDC ni mo ko nyan and this time no
ye da se ye brana so nti selam di kan ye no ye be hye dan so asan ababiom na afie no ne abedi nkomo de afa saa ne ma ni nyina ho nti ye be da se anopai say ye to nsa frɛ wo a obaye ye da se bebre
me da se
okay nti abusuan ye ne honorable Castro Asumadu ade ɛna ɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ no former PM ɛna wote ne nka no yɛ sɔre so na afei yɛde nnwumadi ahodoɔ aka no nso de atoa so maame fa sira nkɔmɔ odi ankan kwame yɛ bo adwempa hene Kofi Mensah ka obi ke kwame Asante Billy Man ɔfrɛ me ɔboɔ ba ofori amanfo nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ɔkyena bɛsɛ no ahyia ne yɛkɔ yie no na wabɔ yaba so de ankɔ yie na ɛno nso so atwe adwene asi so te aseɛ sɛ nipa na ɛfom enipa ɛna ɛde kyɛ sɛbi ane ne miaye mpo ɔne nka yɛ da kwaku kusi toa so